Tradeify Nation, welcome back to another London session stream. Happy Monday, guys. Monday, August 24th today. I hope everyone's had an amazing weekend. You guys had time to either relax, rest, or you had time to backtest, be at the charts, depending on how you guys like to spend your weekends. I, for one, sometimes want to be there at the charts, but this weekend I was relaxing. Had a nice week last week, so took the weekend off and yes, reset and ready to be focused for today. Hope everyone, if you have traded Asia, we did have some volume in the Asia session overnight. So we'll be going over that to see who took trades and who's potentially still holding shorts from the Asia session. But we have had volume, which is great. We should be seeing a nice London session to continue that as well. But yes, hope everyone had an amazing weekend. Everyone's ready though to lock in and stay disciplined this London session. It's the full London session gang today. We will be joined by Nick today, so that'll be exciting. And other than that, good morning, Miss Kitty. Good morning, Sebastian. Good morning, ATM William. Good morning, Leia. Good morning, GPGO. Abdos. Good morning, Chad, Michael, Mixie, San, Derek's, Kyle, Gap, Professor Clever. Good morning to you all. Good morning, Aizen, Yays, Kyle. All right, you all are here. There's too many names in this chat now. All right, everyone is here, ready to go on time. Let's get straight into the charts. We are looking at NQ as usual. I'm going to take us through the top down and let you know what I'm looking at, and then I'll throw it to you guys. You can let me know what trades you're in, if you're in any trades, or what you're looking at. So for now, this is the weekly time frame on NQ, taking it all the way to the top. This is what currently last week's candles close was like on the weekly, a bearish candle here. So a bearish week close after that. And today, this new day, new week, we are already seeing a bearish candle here. So we have already opened the week and gone down, basically. We are down just to begin the week, but we are tapping into this bullish weekly gap. So this is where I would want to see price hold. If my bullish bias is to remain, I wouldn't want us to be crashing through and closing over this bullish weekly gap. For as long as we can hold this area of price, I do still expect us to go higher. So I'm watching the weekly gap. You guys don't normally see me talk to the weekly, but yeah, after this close, I'm now watching to see if we're going to see a bit more bearish price action. Then I would expect this weekly to continue to drop here. But let's see. For now, I'm still expecting us to hold and go higher. Right now, the daily, we've already taken out previous day low here, sitting at 29,220. That was previous day low from Friday, and previous day high 29,539. So previous day high still intact. That's an area of price I would be looking to long into today. But I don't really like already the daily candle looking like this. So we have a top wick on the daily candle, and we have now a strong bearish body. Are we going to just keep selling off? I don't know how Monday's going to look today, but we have had some volume. I'm pretty sure overnight session ended up printing larger than the last couple of days we've had. So far from this high to low, we've had 308 points of a sell-off. So there is quite a lot of selling pressure here, a lot of momentum to the downside. And so to be longing and trying to reverse trade this is not going to be clean. I honestly don't like it at the moment for longs. I'm going to have to ask for a lot. We have just taken our previous 4-hour low, though. There is a nice sweep of previous day low and Asia low. We're now below all these levels. So in theory, yes, my model, I would be looking for my model to play out here as a reversal trade. But if we continue to break and close below these lows, I will be risk off. I wouldn't want to be risking in this. But right now, yes, we're continuing to sell off. I know some of you would be in these shorts for sure. I know some of you would be in these clean overnight shorts. But for me, I will be trying to time this reversal right now for today, seeing as most of my key levels have been hit. And so now it's just a matter of trying to time that with executing between the 15 and the 1 minute. But for now, right now, I don't like longing into this. Going to let price do its thing. I'm going to observe, going to be watching, going to be patient today. It is Monday. So like I never want to be throwing money at the charts on a Monday because it's first day of the week. Usually, it's not the cleanest price action to read. And yeah, for that reason, I will be trying to just observe and wait and be a little bit more patient today. And there are so many more sessions and days ahead of us this week to be taking cleaner setup. So if today doesn't print the clean setup, You guys know I will be hands off, risk off, and just waiting. All right, but yeah, that's what I'm kind of looking at. Previous day low has been taken. Previous 4-hour low has now been taken as well. Asia low has been taken. So we're below all these levels. We're well below daily open as well. So I'm hoping and expecting London session to reverse all of this Asia session move, but we will see. Okay, Roman has a poll in there for you guys to put your votes in bullish, bearish, or in no trades. Let me know what you guys are trading. All right, let's see. Max is Celine, are you streaming all alone today? No, Max. We have the London gang back together. Nick will be joining us. He wasn't well, so but he's back now. It'll be the full London gang. Leia says, on a small account, still waiting for my 150k Lightning account. I did, however, win a 50k Lightning account on Vola stream last Friday. So excited, Leia. See, you're like the queen of winning giveaway accounts. I don't know anyone as frequent as that wins as frequent as you. You just won 2 accounts last week and Lightning funders, which is crazy. You have no eval stage. You're straight in the funded stage. But I'm excited to help and see your progress there, Leia, on these accounts. MP123F, morning Celine, do you trade outside of kill zones? It would take me a lot to trade outside of kill zones. I rarely ever do, but sometimes at my discretion, I might say this is a really clean setup based on like just how the candles are forming, and I might take a stab at it, but I usually don't like it. I don't feel comfortable trading outside of kill zone hours as well. Like I know that if I'm journaling about how that trade was, like trading outside of the kill zone hours, I know it's a little bit at risk because I only tested for these London session hours. So trading outside of those hours, I'm like, okay, I'm really against the model here, but it's still potentially good work. So I rarely ever try it, but yes, sometimes. Keezy Cab says, this channel is trading 24/7. When do y'all sleep? Well, Keezy Cabs, never. No, the great thing is we're all over the world. So we are able to take you through like almost your entire trading day with Tradeify TV because we have hosts all over. So it just works like that. I mean, I wouldn't be complaining. Tradeify TV all day, 24/7. You guys would never get sick of us. Bonando says, Celine, how to get giveaway? Well, you asked a very important question. To get the giveaways on here, chat, if you're new, make sure you have subscribed to the channel. Make sure you've liked the stream. And once we hit the like goals, which I'm about to give you guys, we'll do the giveaways. It's as simple as that. Okay. Usually we do like 2 to 3 by the end of the stream. We can do more if you guys smash the likes though. I'm just going to say 600 likes is the first like goal for the first giveaway. Let's do that. We'll do 600 likes and then from there, we'll go from there. For the first giveaway, 600 likes. Roman, let's make sure you put that in the chat so they remember. Constantine says, if you want to get a giveaway, just ask Nick where the form is when he's here. Constantine, you're about to get yourself banned for that. You're lucky Nick is in here. He would have absolutely banned you. Aizen Yates says, did you trade 1026 on Friday? Oh, chat, there was some clean longs and sells in the London session. Not London session, sorry, New York session Friday. Maybe I'll go over that in a little bit, Aizen Yates. Celine 1026 Friday, amazing Celine model printed. It was so nice to see that move, but I didn't capitalize. Just verify it again. Okay, I'll quickly go over 1026. There was some clean, that's the 10 a.m. reversal. It's really clean. Some days it's really clean. And this was an example, 1026. We'll just go Friday. So again, all these levels had been taken. London low, Asia lows, below daily open. We also had the sweep of the previous 4-hour low. Let me just get this to print from 10 a.m. Okay. So we had sweep of previous 4-hour low. We had sweep of Asia low, London low. All the session levels had been hit. And at this point, just timing it for where we had that bullish reaction, which was off the 15-minute low, and it was an inversion there. It was a small little inversion, but still the minimum FEG size I look for is 1 point. So if this, I think that FEG there in size is like 1.25 points. So it's a valid setup because my minimum FEG size requirement is 1 point. So it just met the conditions. And then, yeah, you could have been targeting. So if you at market entered off that inversion, once all those levels have been swept, timing it with a 15 though, that's the key. Timing it with the 15-minute, the 4-hour low, and then taking it up into potentially the highs here at 29,485. That is a 222-point trade. I can't remember how high we took this, but I mean, it was just one of those clean 10 a.m. reversal days. And if you took this, well done. It was clean. There was also a nice sell from these highs that I wasn't in. Did we just, okay, yeah, we grabbed that high and then I think we reversed from here, but that was a clean long. So if anyone took that 222 points, that was a clean 10 a.m. reversal. And if anyone has questions, that is an A+ setup. And if anyone has questions, let me know. There was also, I think, just before, if I take the session window off, it should tell me that there was a, one moment. Yes, the sells here. So at this point, just before, it was 8.50. So I don't like to trade this close to the 9:30 open, but if any of you don't have those kind of rules, this was also a very clean sell-off with a very tight stop, 21 points. But as you can see, I think we sold all the way off into another 230-point trade. We sold off into Asia low, and we finally took that out. As you guys knew, on Friday, as I was talking in the session on Friday with you guys, I said I want to see the Asia low taken. I was wanting shorts that whole time, and then we eventually got it at 8.55. But that's too close for me to be entering. There you go. And that's that. 231 points. So, I mean, you would have had to hold it through the open. So for me, I wouldn't have liked doing that, but it is a clean trade still a clean trade. 230 points. If you had timed that and taken the longs as well, when the longs ended up printing, that is those two trades combined is like 450 points. So if you were able to catch both, well done. But for now, I'm looking at current price action. And let's just get back to this, 2 a.m. Okay, cool. All right. So right now, we're just going to sit here and wait for a bit of more of a bullish reaction here. Okay. Ip says London's session has been sketchy lately. NY better. Well, that was an example of a clean NY session, yes, but not, honestly, not lately. I felt like last week was a good London session week. A's in the A Sicily model top to the bearish market, long reversal. We did. John Jert said, pass my eval on that. Hell yeah. Nicely done, John. Precise Parable says, hi, Celine. I was watching the show on Friday, the New York show. So gutted that they don't have as many likes. And they're like, why don't we have as many likes? Because you don't have Celine. No, is that what they said? Wow, I feel honored, chat. I feel honored. It's because I sit here and beg you guys for likes. David says, if you get a chance, can you explain what you mean by, but you have to be sure to time it with a 15 minutes? Sorry, fairly new to the stream. David, welcome to Tradeify TV. Yes, of course. What I'm talking about when timing it with a 15-minute is that I need to see the previous 15-minute low sweep, and then I only enter. So, for example, if we get a sweep of this previous 15-minute low and we're within the 10 minutes of that candle, we get a bullish reaction on the 1 minute. So I use the 15-minute to tell me where in price is a potential reversal point. So when we take a low, and then I'm waiting for a bullish reaction off the 1 minute. So the way I'm timing that is I'm using the 4-hour low to give me the bullish bias direction, trading below the 4-hour low. And then I'm trying to time that reversal reaction on the 15 minutes. So when that sweep happens, it's then about dropping down to the 1 minute and trying to catch that like first bullish momentum inversion that we can take to just show, to go with the buying pressure, to go with the volume. So yeah, unless that's there, unless we get the sweep and reversal kind of action, I don't ever take a long. I got to time it. It's all about the timing. You can have the candlestick pattern there, but if it's not like timed properly, this doesn't work. And that's why I have these like stricter rules in place. You guys will, like, if you've been watching me trade for a long time, there are some very strict rules about the way I trade. And some days, like, it can suck because I can miss a great long just because, well, in hindsight, a great long, you know, price runs 200 points because I didn't have those things get ticked off in my model. I need the inversion. I need it to be in the first 10 minutes. I need that 15-minute low sweep. So sometimes having those kind of restrictions, okay, can be a bad thing. But overall, in the long run, it really saves me from taking too many losses here. It's just, yeah. It's what works. It's what works. And yeah, there is a video actually on Tradeify TV's YouTube channel that goes over my model of trading. If you want to see it like through examples, I think I take a losing trade and a winning trade in that video just to show the difference of the two setups and why one is better than the other. All good, David. Thomas says, so you're an ICT trader. Thomas, I really hate that banner, especially from what I recently see in social media. Like, there's just too much shit going on with ICT, and I don't want to be associated with that. I do trade his concepts, and I did learn trading, my model of trading, not the model, but the concepts, yes, through him. But I don't want to really be associated with any of the social media stuff. Whatever. I found what works. That's it. What works for me. I've taken the bits and pieces from his lectures, and I've taken what works and gone and tested it and put it into practice. And that's all I can say on that. But I don't like the banner of an ICT trader. Thomas said, oh, sorry, just saw that. Oh, no, it's all good. It's all good, Thomas. I'm having a laugh. It's all good. Tape reader Alex, I know. Auction market theory existed long before ICT made up new. No. Like, there are many overlapping concepts. I know. I'm just saying I learned the names in terms of things that I use is because I did learn this through watching his YouTube lectures. So there. But I definitely know, like, as going through my trading since then, I have learned the way others trade is very similar. They just use different names for things, and it's all pretty much the same thing. Jatine Haseling, do you remember the title of those videos with your strategy? There's just one video. There's one video on it on our YouTube channel. It's the most recent one I did. You'll see my name, my face in the thumbnail. AI though, it's not actually my face. Leigh says, wow, my gold trade, I'm up 250 ticks on a small 25k eval that I won 2 weeks ago. Let's go, Leah. Let's have a look what gold's doing. Very nice. All right, gold just took out, I'm guessing you're in the longs, Leah. Very nice. But gold just took out a 4-hour high level and the Asia high, so key session high. So for me, actually, I would be looking to take the reversal here on gold. Back into all these kind of stacked lows. We have a bit of consolidation here that we could come back into, take out 4-hour low, and then maybe continue this run higher. But yeah, it looks like we are very much still in this bullish run on gold, printing higher lows here, and potentially this is another low we've been put in. But let's see. Let's see if there is a nice gold short. Should I take it today? Gold did burn me on Friday. Gold, you little bitch. Ramil says, Lean, are we bringing Nick on at 600 likes? You know what? I don't lock up Nick anymore. We can bring him on as soon as it's London session time. At 8 a.m. UK, he will be joining us. But at 600 likes, you guys will get a giveaway. Some guy says, get up and... I love that his name is like some guy. Get up and leave my desk for 1 minute and instantly miss the trade I was waiting for. Oh, that has happened to me before too. Like in those 2 minutes that I've run downstairs to grab a coffee, get a drink or something, and I come back and price is gone. Like, especially if you have strict rules like when entering, and I can't really re-enter or FOMO enter after that. If I miss that entry, I'm like, I can't get back in. So I know how that feels. It really sucks. But you never know. Maybe this is saving you from a loss, so you could be lucky. Nisha Singh says, what's the bias for MNQ today? MNQ, I am right now in the session bullish. I want to see a potential long reversal back into, we have had a nice sell-off here from the open, from the New Week open, and from Asia, we pretty much sold off. So we have a daily candle that's looking very bearish. Hasn't closed yet, but we are looking bearish. But we are also in a bullish daily gap here and a weekly bullish gap. So I want price to hold and to buyers to step in and for there to be some sort of reversal off these lows now. We have taken out key levels, previous 4-hour low, previous day low. We are well below that is daily open all the way back up there. So longing below daily open is what I want. So we'll see. If we get a reaction here, I would be happy to take the longs. Need a bullish inversion here. But let's see. We also have the full London session ahead of us as well. So I'm not trying to risk or rush any trades just yet. Russell says she's long. Russell, you already know. He said bullish daily gap, weekly bullish gap, taking out the key levels. She wants a bounce. Thank you, Russell. To put it simply, that's all. I want the bounce. The tape reader, Alex, yeah, but we are not near any support levels. Well, I don't trade with consideration to anything like that. I just trade with consideration to key levels. So 4-hour low is an important one for me, and then where we are in terms of the session prior. So have we taken out that session low? And then once I have those two levels ticked off, I'm just trying to time a 15-minute trade, 15-minute to 1 minute. And right now, I'd be looking to fade these lows. Good morning, Stephen. Good morning, Pratishka. Chief of Jason made a cool 600 in Asia, so I think I'll sit out London and NY to not overtrade or risk profits. I like it, Chief of Geo. I like it very much. Why risk in those riskier sessions? To be fair, New York session is probably one of the most volatile. So we were having this conversation with someone else on stream on Friday. I think that was like, Celine, I'm, do really well taking these 1 minute, 2 minute scalps, and then I end up giving it all back in the New York session. But like you said, Chief of Geo, if you're already up 600, you made a clean profit. It's Monday. What is the point of putting that risk on, losing that in New York session? I mean, yes, there is potential for you to make more, but why risk it when you're already up? You could close today green, $600, nice profit amount on any size account, decent $600, and then move on to tomorrow. That's how I'd be doing. I know not everyone agrees with that, but once you're in the green, sometimes it's just good to lock it up and come back the next trading day. Lock up those accounts. Where would your target for longs be? Isaha, I don't know how to say that one. But for longs, I would honestly be longing into the 4-hour high and potentially holding a runner for the Asia high as well. These are levels we normally take out in the London session, and you guys would see if you've been here for many live streams, that's usually my final targets. The full extension of the full Asia high, so taking it from the lows back into the session's high. For the longs, and usually taking partials or sometimes previous 4-hour highs, full TP. It just depends how the market is behaving. But yes, right now I would be interested in taking longs if we get that inversion. Nice 15-minute low sweep reaction here. We will see. What does the hourly look like now? Yeah, see, when a market is sold off this heavily in the session before, I am going to be always a little bit more hesitant to long into this so quickly. Because all this is telling me is that there is a lot of bearish momentum here. There's a lot of sellers, and we're closing below swing lows on an hourly time frame. So market structure is definitely bearish here. So if I do get into a long, it might not be so long-lived today. Baz Trade says, Celine, you called the gold shorts. What are we doing on gold? Did I miss an entry? Okay, haven't missed an entry, honestly. But that is a nice reaction there to the Asia high. Do I trust the gold shorts from here? I kind of do. I'm just thinking I want to take gold shorts Screw it. Okay, well, I just put a limit order on gold. I don't know if it's going to take me. Damn. It might not tap me in, and I need to be aware if it goes to 1 hour, I'm going to take this off. Stops would be 11 points. And taking that for like a 1.7 R. Let's see. I do like that reaction though, and usually I'd be at market on this inversion candle, the 222 candle, but I was not there in time. Who's in the gold shorts? Yes, Babin, yeah, Celine looks like it's reversing. Yes, I can see gold. Because it's full port GC shorts. No, we're not full porting anything, chat. No. I'm either going to get tapped into this sell or we're going to just have to watch it fade away. And I really like this consolidation as the target. This 4-hour low looks clean because we did have the initial consolidation around here before that push to the upside. So that's where I'd be targeting for the full TP here. Apes has closed my gold long at Asia high. We'll look for a long again later. Nice. Yes, this could just be a pullback. I'm not expecting potential like full on shift to the downside here, but definitely a reversal of these key levels being swept. I got to work out where 1R would be. If it runs to 4692.9 on gold, I'm going to close the sell limit. Okay. I have a feeling we're not going to get tagged into this. DMG says, Sling, when the price action is quite some distance from the Asia range, do you still set your full TP at the Asia range highs? I will always set a contract, yes, to long all the way back up there, but not the full TP. Like I will always be partialing along the way and then maybe leaving like one contract running for the Asia high. No matter where we are away from the range, I usually would still set one left for that session high. Good morning, Andrea. She said, is this gold I'm seeing? Yup. Yes, it is. I know I got burned by shorting gold on Friday, but I had a really small stop. To be fair, it was like a 5-point stop on gold. And I remember Rebecca telling me like, that is too small. But here we are, Monday morning, and I am trying to get in gold shorts again. Hoping gold will be nicer to me today, but I actually can't I'm not in it yet, Andrea. I have a sell limit. I wasn't on the charts when the model printed the short. So I am right now hoping to get a tap in. And I'm just going to switch back to NQ to see if I'm missing anything. Okay. Nope. The new 15-minute candle is going to open on NQ any minute now. We'll see if we trade lower to sweep that low first. Let's see. By the looks of things, I don't think I'm going to get tapped into this on gold, to be fair. So you may ask if you use order flow for print chart. No, I don't. Not me. Lol, 5 points, Constantine. He said you need at least 10 to 15 points on gold for your stop loss. Yes, well, I'm learning that. I am definitely learning that with gold. Andrea says the Asia high reaction is nice. Can't lie, I'm a perma bull and I almost never sell gold, but this looks nice. Thank you, Andrea, for the validation. I know you hate when I try to reverse things on gold, but you know better. You know better, so I trust that if you don't like it, then it's probably not clean. But I don't know. Maybe this 15-minute can flip higher first, manipulate higher so to tap me in, and then we can sell off. That would be great. I'd love to be in that short. Ethel says the NQ struggling with 5-minute bearish FVG. All right, I'm going to have to split screen this because I want to watch both charts. So let's put gold here and NQ here. Okay, NQ hasn't done anything. The 15-minute just opened. Potentially, are we going to get a sweep of that low or no? I wonder. I'll stay on the 1-minute chart. Let's see this. Oh, could we get a tap in here? 7:05 is the entry. G4G says, Swaggy Celine, how was your weekend, dude? Weekend was great. I actually had family come and visit over the weekend, stopping through on his big Europe adventure. So yeah, it was good to see family, and weekend was busy, honestly. From Friday onwards, every day I was just super busy. So last night I was like, whoa, I didn't even realize it was Monday today. Going to bed, I was like, wait, is it Monday tomorrow? It was just one of those weekends. Okay, Andrea and chat, I'm officially in this gold short. So we're about to see if my fate will be any different today. Let's see, where would I have that TP? Stops at the high and first TP off at 4692.7. I don't really like if this puts in a higher low. Come on, gold. Okay. Let's do, oh, my TP didn't get put in. One moment, chat. I don't know why this doesn't work. Okay. All right, well, instantly in that pullback, I'm now in the drawdown. Just gonna drag the stop, the TP there. And then I will put the final TP 4685.4. 4685 down here. All right, that is the full trade. Whether or not my stop is safe is another problem. That is the idea. I do want to see it trade lower on gold here, but potentially that's all we had in store for the shorts. I hope not. I hope we can get lower. Let's see. Andrea says, ready for you. Let's go down, gold. Come on, gold. Let's trade down. Let's trade down. Come on. That's it, Goldie. A little lower. This is the thing, chat. Whenever I trade gold in the London session, it's never nice to me. Never. Constance said, gold bounced off Asia opening range, should have taken it, but I will be overtrading at LeMayo. Well, we never like overtrading. That wouldn't be good. John Fur, hello, beautiful Celine. What indicator is that shows all these previous session and time highs and lows? Thank you, John. You will want to go and get the sessions and key levels indicator. It's this one here. This one here, that's the one I use. It is great. It'll print all the sessions, highs and lows, the previous levels, the current levels, anything you want. It's all customizable in the settings here. That's the one. For anyone else that was probably going to ask about the indicators, that's the one. Sessions and key levels, script edge. There. Okay, and can we not put this low in? Guys, I'm worried that this is just a higher low now that's been put in on gold. Really? See, this price action on NQ is clean for the shorts. And whenever I play that on gold, it just does not want to reverse. Like this sweep, the reaction to the highs here. And now we currently just have a full-on 15-minute bullish candle. No, like pretty much no bottom wick there. Just a straight buying up. Andrea, remind me to never trade gold again. I always get burnt. Andrea says, we just retested the hourly open is something I follow in my tradings. When we retest the open reject like that, I usually take the buys, but in this case, because H is swept, sales can work. Okay. I like it then. Andrea, if you say I'm safe, I'm safe. Only Till Trader says, I jumped in on MGC shorts, not loving it. Me and you both. Jake Phillips' 5-minute continuation playing out on gold. Gold always cooks me. Yeah, well, I mean, for now, what's the 5-minute looking like? I really like all the stacked lows here. All this consolidation and the sweep of the Asia session high, the 4-hour high sweep, and being above previous day high and daily open. I'm expecting a bit of a reversal here on gold, but we're not seeing that, are we? The complete opposite. We needed to sell off. We are also not far from London session open, so I'm not sure what kind of volume we might get there on gold, but hopefully my stop is safe. Ricardo says, hi, Celine, have a nice trade. I hope so, Ricardo. I want a nice trade. Not looking like it. Not looking like it at all. Celine, do you trade continuation on NQ? Adam, no. So if I get I'm always looking for the reversal. So if price hasn't taken those levels out and it's just like we're at the highs and we continue to buy here, or like we're selling and we continue to sell off here, I don't have a model around taking the continuation. But the only time I could potentially take another trade whilst I'm in this long today, for example, like if it starts to go higher and there's a pullback and we get the 15-minute sweep and inversion reaction again, I can enter that. And technically that's kind of a continuation, but no, I do prefer to take the reversal trades. The reversal of whatever has been going on in the session before. So clearly we've had this sell-off. I'm waiting for a nice bullish reaction to long into this. And on gold, I'm waiting for the same reversal, but it's not playing out. It says Asia high FEG might save the short. Who the hell knows, Ibs? I hate gold. Chad, this is what's going through my head right now. Down. There's nothing else. I'm staring at this gold chart and I just want to see it dump. Anyone else relate? Marlon says, Slim, please show your settings for sessions and key levels. All right, here we go. Ready? You guys are going to have to be quick. No, I'm kidding. You can always go back and pause the stream. So this is the Asia session levels and times that I put 8 to midnight. That's very different to a lot of you, I know. And then I have my Asia high and low ticked on and the previous day's high and low on as well. And I also look at current day's open. So that's what that is, the daily and the open level there. And that's about it. And then I just have it set to show me the sweeps and extend the line all the way to the right. That's it. And show the labels. But yeah, that is my settings. Andre says, we can get the double top at Asia high, hold 4710 as a resistance, and down we go. Come on, gold. Push down. New all-time lows today. New all-time lows on gold. That's the plan. Street says you should grab that fib and see if that's an OTE range for gold. Where I entered? And fib from where, chat? Where do you guys fib from? I never consider OTE, I'll be honest. Long NQ is a little risky. Well, Ramil, yes, I know I'd be longing into a very bearish trend right now, but that's why it's be more about trying to time it as best I can. Because yes, there are days where we just go lower and we just keep printing and making lower lows. But most of the time on NQ, we do get a reversal. You will, like, whether in the London session or the New York session today, that's the thing, because we could keep printing lower and lower today in the London session. But by New York, I would at least be trying to take a reversal of some sort. Also, gold is coming back down. Let's go, Goldie. Drop it. Oh no, Jeremiah says gold is bullish for me. Oh no. Jeremiah. No, we need the shorts first. Then you can take your longs. Deep charts is Heisling next life target. Well, let's just focus on getting the first one done. I think that would be smart. Tony says, add another contract to your short. Never. I am not that kind of trader. As soon as my risk is set, I will have the fixed risk before I get into the trade. I'm not the one that's going to be adding into trades. There's only if there is another sweep, inversion, reaction, then I guess that's another opportunity for me to add into that. But just based on this pullback, I would not be adding more contracts in. I'm at max here on gold, 5 micros, 5 minis, hell no. 5 micros, and I'm happy. And the Till Trader said, let's focus on getting gold down now. Yeah, okay, guys. Everyone blow on your screens. Usually that works. No stop loss. Butcher says, I'm in gold longs from the morning. Well, well, well. If you can just let me take a piece of the shorts here, would be nice. Chief J says 5 minis like Miriam. Nope, I don't have that risk appetite. I wish, but I really don't. Balance says, lol, everyone blow on your screen. Love it, Celine. Yes, well, how else are we going to get gold to go lower? Get one of Tyler's hammers and hammer it down. Yeah, I need to. Come on. Actually, a hammer would really work right now. I just want to like hit something on my screen. All right, well, we did have a bit of a pullback here. If we survive this, I think me and gold can be friends again. We survive the pullback. Potentially this is a high that's now been put in, and maybe we go to break this low, I'll feel a lot better. But until then, I don't know. Andrea says, that's it, gold, you can do it, baby steps. I love how you're all trying to talk me through this gold trade. It's the best. James says, ES far from previous day's low, perhaps a reversal on NQ them. Well, let's quickly have a look what ES is doing in relation to these levels. We're going to obviously set this to, oh, no. Time frame windows. Okay. So where's previous day low? Okay, yes, I see. Previous day low has not been met on ES. So there is actually an SMT there on the, stretch this out. You can see NQ has gone on to take out previous day low and ES hasn't. So there is a clean SMT there on those, on ES there. But I don't know, maybe ES has more downside. This will be interesting. I actually like it more that there's SMT there at previous day low. But still, I'm very glad I haven't taken any entries yet in the longs there because I've seen no reason or reaction to get in long yet. We still have the entire London session ahead of us. So like I said, there was no reason to just be entering long off any sort of bullish candle. Like I'm waiting very specifically for the 15-minute to show me strength. For now, we're on this gold short. Oh, gold is moving. Guys, are we going to survive this on gold? Maybe me and gold can be friends again. Do we survive, chat? Stay tuned. Do we survive? Ramil's like, come on, gold, you can do it. What's SMT? SMT is the divergence. SMT divergence is just smart money trap. It's where one correlated asset has taken out a low or a high and the correlated asset hasn't. So at the moment we have ES taking out previous day low and NQ has not. So there is SMT divergence there. No, Lilava, I'm not. I'm engaged. Soon to be married. New playlist, please, Celine. I'm not in control of the music, Super Goofy. I'm not in control. If I was in control of the music, we would be listening to bangers and trading, but I'm not. But hey, I don't mind our little Tradeify TV jingle that we have playing. I don't mind it. It's like our thing. You can't get that song anywhere else. Naylin says, yes, we can survive, hopefully. Wait, so yes, we can survive and then hopefully. So can we survive or not, Naylin? I need 4692 on gold and then I will go break even. But for now, just gonna let this play out. There's not much we can do. Celine, when was the last time you seen Chicken? Not in a long time, actually. Chicken must be busy on his little holiday. What is the name of the background music? I don't believe there's a name because I don't actually think you guys can get access to this tune. I think it's copyrighted, like, just for our stream. I'm pretty sure. Street Beams, yes. Does your soon-to-be husband trade as well? Yes, he does. What do you consider bangers? What genre? Oh, I love when I'm like in like some focus time or like, you know, charting or trading, anything house music, anything with an upbeat, like that's me. I need the beats. I need any of that kind of like fast-paced music. That really helps me when I'm trading. But like for now, the silence, it's fine. It's killing me a little bit. Russell says, what? Celine, come on, no. Yes, house music, something with a... Russell hates it. J. Sam Cobbs is the accent when you say no. It sounds like you say no. I know, it's the Australian no. You guys hate it. All right, Russell, tell me, what are you listening to when you're trading? Because he said, I'm going to have to put you on. So what? Russell, what? What should I be listening to? Andrea says, yes, the more BPMs, the better. Keeps you alert. I know, right? How can you be listening to Mozart and trading? You need the house music. You need the beats. You know, it just works. Muziaki, I'm so scared of gold in the shorts. Gold put trauma in my soul in March. Might go break even early. Well, are you listening to emotions there, Muziaki, or are you following some sort of plan? Because it sounds like you're listening to emotions from trauma back in March, and you could end up putting yourself in break even due to that and then miss out on a great trade. Potentially, yes, it's going to save you some profits. Like this could end up taking a loss, but make sure you're not making decisions in your trading ever to do with your emotions. Make it because it's logical. Make it because it's your break-even plan. You have a plan when to go break-even. If it doesn't hit me, if it doesn't take out 1-to-1, I don't go break-even in the trade. I let it still play out. Let it take. I'm not scared of a loss. I'm not like, I can't be resistant to losses. It is part of it. I'm not a perfect trader. I'm not 100% win rate. So I have to allow it to sometimes take me out. But never, ever let emotions drive your decisions in trading, because if this trade runs to TP now, you'll feel even worse. You'll be telling yourself, why did I put myself in break even? I should have just held. Why was I scared? I shouldn't have done this. Like, you save all of that emotional stress after you're trading. Even if you get lucky and you're like, this ends up losing, telling yourself you made the right decision there. Is it the right decision? If you did that each and every time, are you actually making more money? That's the question. You need to have stats on this. Russell says, well, not trading, but you need to check out some more music. I need you to be listening to multiple genres: rap, country, pop, metal, punk. Okay, yes, don't get me wrong. I have a wide music taste, but when it comes to trading and like doing anything focus intense, I said, I need the beats. I need the, there's an inversion there on NQ, chat. Do we like it? 10 minutes before the London Open. No, I'm not going to take that yet. I think I prefer taking something on the higher time frame anyway. 3 or 5 minute inversion is probably going to be a lot cleaner today. But yes, my music genre is wide. I have a very big music genre taste, however you say that. But some days, yes, Ty Thomas Solutions, Ampiano is fire. Agreed. Afro House, fire. Andre says, if I listen to music with words, it'll distract me. I'm going to start singing instead of trading. For real. For real. Oh, we're having a bit of a bullish reaction here on NQ. Okay. I'm going to be waiting to see if this is a potential long. On the 1 minute it is. On the 1 minute there is that inversion there, but I don't really like how much we hung around in this gap before we ended up closing it in. Like, I do prefer having the strong displacement through the inversion. But if a 3 minute or 5 minute inversion plays out now, I probably would take that and put the stops at this swing point here. Maybe this is the low. It would be a risk, but we'll see. Only tilt trader. I took profit and broke even on my gold. Okay, nice. As long as you're green there, and if that was your plan, only tilt trader, then congrats. W trade. For me, my plan hasn't been met yet. I still need 4692 to just go even break even on this. The real family Celine, you should listen to Afro beats. I do listen to Afro beats. Love a bit of Afro beats. Took the $200 on gold and got out. I don't trust gold at all. William, I don't think you're wrong there. But I have to let my trades play out. I don't ever like trying to cut trades off early. I used to do that, and that emotional toll was just too much for me. I'd just rather let probabilities play out here and let it do its thing. If it doesn't, this is not the move on gold, then it's not, and I have to take a stop out. That's fine. NQ is picking up here. I don't mind taking this long on NQ in the next minute and a bit. 3 minute inversion. With 1 minute left. I don't hate that at all. I am already in a gold trade though, so I'm not going to be risking too heavy. Just going to get that ready on my charts. Okay. All right, if we get this 3 minute inversion, I know we are 7 minutes away from London session open, but I do think this low is safe. I'd have my stop at 29,120 on this. And gold is back in drawdown. What do you know? Gold back in drawdown. Andre says, unfortunately, with gold, the London session is infamous for being dog water lately. It's just summer PA at its finest. Well, 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 would you look at that? We are back in drawdown on this gold trade. All right, NQ, let's see. 7 seconds. Okay, I am in a gold short NQ long right now. And it's only Monday. But I took it off the 3 minute here, so let me just get that on my charts. I took the 3 minute inversion and stops will be just at the low. I'm in 3 micros. I'm also in 5 micros gold short, so I'm just spreading the risk a bit here. I didn't want to go too heavy. And knowing that I am obviously in a long when NQ has shown us otherwise, I didn't want to put too much risk on it there. But potentially this is a nice spot on NQ to be longing from. We'll see. Been in gold long since Asia, Jeremiah. I know you're loving these longs, Jeremiah, but you got to let me take my gold TP first. At least let it drop a little bit. On NQ, I'm going to be setting TP, so obviously always that 1-to-1 on first. And that'll be off the low. So 1-to-1 is actually 45 points on this. 29,214.50. 29,214. Okay, we're going to take around there. Okay. And then you guys know we're going to set the full target at Asia High, which is 29,472. If we can survive all this with 1 micro, that would be crazy. Around there will be the last. Okay, oh, a little bit higher. All right, there we go. And if we if both trades end up hitting TP, it'll be a great day. But chances are one might be winning and one could be losing. And that's how it goes. All right, so currently holding the gold short. We're like just a few minutes away from London session open, so I am expecting a bit of manipulation at the open. Let's just hope that low on NQ is safe and these highs on gold are safe. And we have Nick in the chat. And I'm not even going to respond to that one, Nick. You already know. He's just trying to rage bait. Jashan Vlog says, just passed my eval full ported. Well, I mean, congrats. Full porting sometimes can pay off. But good morning, Nick, by the way. I didn't even say good morning. Excited to have you back. Sir Teaser, why not wait until we close back in range from the low of Asia? To be honest, I only play the bullish reaction of the inversion. So as soon as I have that inversion, that's enough for me to be wanting to enter this as a long. And it was not only a 3-minute, it was a 5-minute inversion. So great. I like that all these time frames are showing the same. And the longs on the 1 minute would have been the best price to get in, to be honest, but I just didn't trust it. I wanted a high time frame inversion first. So that's why I took the 3-minute. And yeah, we'll see. There's obviously a 15-minute bearish gap here we could trade into, then hold, then sell off, but I'll be watching price at that point and potentially going break even when we get into that gap. But we'll see. First, we need to survive the London session open. That's the first point. Please, can you explain why you take a long on NQ? Okay. Yes, because you asked in caps lock. This is why I'm in a long on NQ. At the moment, we are below. I trade reversal, so I'm looking for the points in price when we are so low, looking to see where we can bounce after. And what needs to happen is we need a previous 4-hour low sweep. So I like to take the longs when we are below the 4-hour low. Not only that, I time it with a 15-minute time frame. So because we had the 15-minute low sweep and 3-minute inversion, that's why I'm in this trade, because I'm expecting the 15-minute to sweep, manipulate lower first, and then trade higher and take the distribution of that 15-minute candle. And I'm only trading it because I got that reaction on the 3-minute, which is this inversion here that printed at 251. And that's why I'm in that trade. We're also below previous day low. We have traded below the Asia low. We're now below all these key levels. I'm expecting us to buy back into this range. I don't know, maybe Asia high is a little bit of a larger target for today, but yeah, overall, I would expect us, like NQ likes to do, is just pretty much buy up that entire sell-off that we had overnight. Celine, how can you ignore the August 4th 200-point NQ gap below? Which is where? Chat. The 200-point gap. Well, if you tell me where it is, I'll look for it. But honestly, right now, I am very much interested in the fact that we have the daily and weekly bullish gaps holding right now. And so I do prefer to be on the side of bulls as well for that reason. So it's not about just longing anyway because we're low. I do have those strict things in place to make sure I can at least try time it and be a little bit more less risky longing there. Okay. Well, so far, gold, we're still surviving this gold trade. We're officially at London Open now, so let's see if we can survive some manipulation here on gold and NQ. Right now in 2 trades, and it is that time for me to introduce you to first of all, let me get up his intro because that's just silly. I don't know it off by heart yet. All right, let me introduce you to the YT wearing, hand over moving, GP trading, biohacking, YouTube catching, stake with ketchup abusing, sample trolling, intro creating, KFC heading, 5 guys loving, paddle playing, internet playing, splash playing, water guzzling, chat banning, skydiving, shark swimming, parkour champion, 7 mega sushi loving, switch battle winning, super slippery, sock walking, accent king, definitely not CPI, full porting, no pro marathon running, dictator, DMC strategy inventing, Mario Kart thrice humiliated, 91 no stop loss win rate, once baited, Deshaun, the lowly, the World Cup bet king, the king of rage bait, Nicola.
Good morning. And we take Celine off with that news. So She's going to be gone for the rest of the... No, I'm kidding.
Okay.
She'll be back in a second. Well, good morning, everybody. Put a big fat 1 in the chat if you're ready for this week, for the day. And of course, if you loved Celine's solo hour. Now, as you can see, she's not back. And yeah, you got to stick with me now. There she is.
You couldn't get rid of me for too long.
Damn it. I was already hoping, but yeah, well, it is what it is, I guess.
It is what it is.
How are you, Nick? It is what it is. Hey, I'm doing very good. First of all, chat, obviously on Friday, I was not sick. That was just an excuse. Reason being was now I can finally freely talk. We surprised Chicken's fiance in Greece, her family and his family and like a friend group. And I traveled to Greece, but sometimes she watches the stream. So Celine had to say that I'm sick. So in case she would watch, but Chicken was smart enough and actually played Thursday's stream on Friday, and she didn't even realize.
Oh, that's so funny.
Yeah, pretty funny. But yeah, I was not sick at all. Zero, all good.
Sorry for lying, chat. That's the only time I'll ever lie to you. I had to.
Yeah, it's a white lie, you know. It was just to not ruin the surprise for her.
And how'd the surprise go? She didn't expect anything?
No. Not at all. It was awesome. It was really cool.
That's so great.
It was really, really funny. Because there were like 15-ish people and she had no idea. That was great.
That's so amazing.
Well,
that would have been fun.
Great.
And how did you find, did you like the island? That's my favorite island.
Yeah, it was beautiful. It was very nice. Very nice. It's crazy how much you can do in such a short time span, right? I mean, we left on Friday, came back yesterday, but you can experience so much. It felt like a 1-week holiday.
Yeah, I know weekend trips are sometimes, if you do them properly, you can do heaps over like 2 days.
Yeah, no, it was great. It was great. See your edits needed. I'll screenshot your message in a second and forward it to the team. I'm sorry about that. We're still working on a better way for giveaways. So yeah, I hope we have that soon. I don't know, Roman, by the way, in the meantime, did you get access to the bot? No. Okay. Brad
I think I have a meeting with Brandon tomorrow. I can follow it up.
Yeah. Brad Mace asks, which is worse, the intro or Nick's trade strategy? Damn, son. Damn.
What? You guys have a problem with the intro?
Apparently they do. I don't know.
Come on. Jimmy Trades, good morning. Happy new week. What's going on, Jimmy?
Hey. What's up, Jimmy? Jimmy, my boy.
Oh, wait. Nick, you're in a trade? What? Hold on.
Yes, I am. Sick. Long from 29,154 and a quarter.
Nice. I'm also in longs. I'm in actually 2 trades and it's Monday. I'm in gold shorts and NQ longs. We'll see.
Ooh, you're in NQ longs.
Yes.
I might have to get out now.
Oh, no. We don't have to fade each other. That's not how it works.
Oh, I thought that was...
No.
I thought we had to.
No.
OMKARG99. What's the stop loss? You never mark it on the chart. Hey, welcome to Tradeify TV. I don't trade with a stop. So.
Oh, I forgot to ask a very important question. How was the food? And did you try tzatziki this time?
Fuck no. Ew.
But in Greece, it tastes 10 times better than in Switzerland.
No, it tastes exactly the same. It tastes like shit.
So did you ask for ketchup at the restaurants in Greece?
We didn't go to a restaurant. We had a chef at the house.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it was nice. But he did make tzatziki, but no.
Which chicken made you eat it?
A friend offered me 100 Swiss francs, which is like $120, to eat
it.
Feta cheese with tzatziki. I was like, no.
Okay, feta cheese, no. Ew, hate feta cheese. But tzatziki, yes. With everything.
Okay, so she does hate Greek food. We see.
Feta cheese. Well, that's because I don't like cheese unless it's melted. And feta cheese is just one of those ones that doesn't melt.
Ramil says, Nick, you kind of look burnt out. Me? Burnt out? Fuck no. The hell?
The hell? Celine,
Roy
it's called...
says, feta is
Okay.
amazing. No, Roy, it's no. Mm-mm. It's really not. It really isn't.
Wait, Jimmy's saying got some nice trades in during Asia. 2 hit TP and the third one stopped me to literal fucking tick. Lol. Don't you love it, Jimmy?
Must be amazing. Must
Ew,
be.
cottage cheese? No. Hell no.
Cottage cheese, not the best, but I can live with it.
Ew.
But feta, ugh.
Wow, we actually agree on that. Everyone's like, feta cheese is freaking awesome. Nope, no, it's not.
No. It really isn't.
Andrea, what? Oh, there he is. Chicken's in the chat.
Oh, what's up, chicken?
Chicken and
Long-
Mrs.
long
Chicken,
time
maybe
no
she's
see.
there.
Long time, you should say Nick stinks. Long time no see, Mr. Chicken. So everybody put some, actually, no, don't put corn in the chat because he said Nick stinks, so he's not going to get fed today.
Chicken, how was the surprise? And if Mrs. Chicken is there, tell her, sorry I lied.
She didn't even realize because Chicken played Thursday stream on Friday and she didn't even realize that.
That's hilarious.
It's kind of funny. It's kind of funny.
Hitman trades to Celine, you blocked me on Friday. I actually meant women are best traders. Hitman trades, you'll have to remind me. I don't know what happened. But if I blocked you, it's probably for a good reason.
Somebody?
I don't know. I don't recall.
That's
what
brutal.
happened.
That is
Oh, he was
brutal,
probably acting
Celine.
up in the chat.
That is brutal. She's just blocking people left and right. Oh my god.
Chicken says she's at work. Thanks, Celine. Overwhelmed. Yeah, it would have been so much fun. Are you still in? Is he still in on the island? Bardos?
Nope. We flew back together yesterday.
Oh, everyone's come back. Back to reality, huh? But that's fun.
Yeah, reality must have hit hard for him.
Yeah, there's nothing worse than being on the Greek islands and then going back to normal life.
Right.
Celine, you're going to trail NQ long to break even now? Not yet. 214 is my first TP. If it hits 214, yes. If not, no. And I'm still in this gold short right now. We're still alive on both. If, again, on gold, the same thing applies. If we drop into 4692.6 on gold, then I will go break even on that. But for now, I'm letting both of them play out.
When was the last time you went to Paros? Because you've
Paros
been.
was last. What year is it? 2026. 2024. 24.
2024. Nice.
Summer of 2024. Yeah, I was there.
Nice.
Last year I was in Bali.
Bali.
Yes.
All right, I got my target at 218 and a quarter, by the way, for this long chat. In case you do wonder.
So did you mainly stay like at the on
Yeah,
the
we
Cape?
had like Chicken organized a really nice villa. It was really,
Nice.
really beautiful. And we stayed at that place the entire time.
Nice.
And yesterday we did some like Peter. He's the guy who already did get married.
Oh, your best friend?
Yeah, and then also my fiance and I, we did like a hill sprint interval workout.
Oh, in
Oh
the
my
heat?
god, that shit killed me. Yeah, I was like, Celine would definitely have excuses for not doing this, but
Oh, yes.
no, it was.
Now you know what I'm
brutal.
dealing with.
I almost died. I literally almost died. After
I think
it,
yesterday
I
was
was just
one
laying
of
on the floor, like, you know that that video of that little goat that is trying to breathe, like. That was me.
Oh my god.
Definitely
Well,
me.
hello, that's what I mean. There's just no air out here. It's just hot.
Yeah, but you can still do it.
You can do it, but you probably just want to die after it.
Yeah, but it feels good when you're done, you know?
Actually, yesterday was one of the hottest days. Here it was like, I don't know, on the islands it's always a little cooler, but here it was like 36 degrees.
No,
peaked at
it was
30.
hot on the island too.
Yeah.
Definitely was. Hey, good morning, Jonathan. I heard you got some pizza from Celine.
Yes. He did. I kept up my word. He got pizza and cookies.
Nice. That's awesome.
Wait, how did you hear?
Well, Jonathan and I, we talk, you know.
Oh,
We talk.
okay. Oh,
We tend to talk.
I get
What's
it.
your target for your Enki trade, by the way?
21475 is my first TP, and then I honestly have a crazy TP beyond that, Asia High, 466.
466.
Yeah.
Okay.
And you? Do you have where are your TPs?
18 and a quarter. That's it.
Okay. Oh, because you're only in one micro, right?
Yes. I'm only in one boring small little micro. But I'm also trading additional accounts, trading 3 accounts right now. Hitman Trade says, sorry if I sounded wrong. Wait, what did you write? Let me see your channel activity. Oh. You blocked him because he said women should not work. They have much more potential. I mean, they are best entrepreneur, best traders, best leaders. Sorry if I sounded wrong. Okay. You blocked him for that, Celine? Damn.
What did he say? I'm trying to work this out now. View deleted message. Women should not do jobs. They have much more potential. Oh, I think Rebecca read that as women. And then I blocked it because Rebecca got offended and I just went with it. I was like, no, screw you, Hitman Trades. And I've just.
Oh, yeah, true. You streamed with Rebecca.
Yeah, I was with Rebecca on Friday.
She went to my town yesterday.
Pardon?
She went to Lucerne yesterday, to my town.
Oh, really? And you weren't there?
Kind of funny. Kind of funny.
RB Trades, why did you change your TP? My TP has not changed on either trades. I mean, I'm not sure what you're talking about. Gold is really chopping around here. Come on, gold.
Oh, treadmill wants to explode. No. Can we get 218 and a quarter, chat? That is the real question.
Hopefully. Come on. Can we get 214 and 3/4? Please. Hitman Trades, this always happens because of my bad English. Well, I apologize, Hitman Trades. That was me. I was honestly just based off. I don't even think I read your comment with too much focus. I just remember Rebecca was offended and I backed her up and you were gone. So my apologies.
Ping, ping, gone. Like Trump would say.
You were gone.
Ping, ping, gone.
How did the Stepper Challenge go? Croco, we have already finished the Stepper Challenge and it went really well. Jonathan ended up earning himself a pizza off it and Leia earned a Lightning funded account. That's
A
going really well.
150k Lightning. It's a pretty good deal she made there. Oh, we hit a like target, did we?
600 likes. Did we do it?
Yeah, we're sitting at 626. So that means it is giveaway time, chat. If you want to participate in this first giveaway of the day, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you are going to get super duper mega disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to be disqualified for the rest of the day. So once this 5-minute chart shows 4 minutes and 20 seconds left on this candle, I will paste the link in the chat. And then you're going to have 20 seconds to fill out that Google form. So get ready. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and bang, 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 bang. All right. As said, until this 5-minute candle shows only 4 minutes left.
Are you giving them a whole minute?
Now, 20 seconds.
Sorry, 20 seconds.
Are you good? And bang, here we go. 583 people. You guys are fast.
Damn.
You guys are way too fast. 583 people in 20 seconds? Like how? How's that even work?
No, they must be copying and pasting. There's no way you can type all the answers in 20 seconds. They got to hack.
583 people. Crazy. Okay, let me copy everybody over.
Let's do it. Soon we're going to have to be doing this at like 5 seconds.
Yeah, right?
5 seconds, go.
Crazy. Crazy. Just copying everybody over. It's going to take some time. It is going to take some time. The wheel doesn't even load in the first place. It's like, nah, I don't want to do that work today. Thanks for playing. All right.
Well.
The Fly Guy says, I gave up on giveaways. Sounds like a you problem, my friend.
Well, that's unfortunate. Today could have been your day.
Yeah. What if you would have won today?
And
that's crazy.
This was your day. And now you'll never win. Also seems like most people wait too long for that anyways. I'll just buy one. Well, right guy, yes, you do have that right. The quickest way is obviously to just use code August or AUG as well at checkout. Get 40% off and just buy yourself an account. That's the quickest way.
True. Eddie Lift says winning is for losers. What? That doesn't make any sense.
Make it make sense. Jonathan says I wouldn't mind winning another pizza. That's funny.
His next challenge is win a bet with Spud.
Oh, good luck.
Ooh. That's gonna be funny. All right. Let's see if we actually copied everybody over. Oh, the page broke.
Oh, with 500 people in?
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Oh, here we go.
Let me spin the wheel. First giveaway winner of this week is the one and only Lucky. Bang. Little Matters 2. Little Matters 2. Congratulations.
Little Matters. Congrats. Let us know you're here. Type something.
Yep. Type quick. Quick. Where are you? I don't see you in the chat.
Eddie.
Hey, okay, he's gotta type now, cause
he said woo. Can you see him?
Did he? I can't see it.
He said I'm here, Nick.
In live chat?
Yeah, live chat.
Ah, there he is. Found him. Okay. So, Little Matters 2. Now, let's see what you actually win. We're gonna go back to, as usual, growth, select, and lightning. And here we go. Spinning the wheel for Little Matters 2. You are gonna get, ooh, nice, 50k select account.
Nice.
You get a 50k select account. To receive that account, all you gotta do is add your email address to your YouTube channel description. Make sure it is your email address that is connected to your Tradeify login. And once that's in there, we're gonna be sending you your free 50k select account within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Well done. First one. Which means we have to set the next like goal target.
Okay, what is the next like goal?
Well, let me check. We are currently at 824 likes. I'm just going to say 1,000 likes next giveaway target.
1,000 likes? Okay. We can do it. We can do a chat. We're not New York, we're London, so.
Oh yeah, what's up with that? Someone was like, Celine, in New York, they were complaining that they're not getting enough likes.
I don't know what the New York chat is doing, but they're not doing enough, that's for sure.
Not enough.
No, not even close to enough. Like,
Not
it's a
enough
joke.
chat.
It's an actual joke. It's sad. Pathetic. Misty Pace Reader says, Nick, I want to give away last Tuesday, but still haven't received the prize. Could you please check when I might get it? My friend, it is Monday right now. So we're still
One more
within
day.
the 7-day window. Now, I wouldn't expect that you get it until tomorrow, but you have to check back in tomorrow. And then I can screenshot it, send it to the team. But I'm with you. It should be faster.
Oh, AG Trader says, to be honest, Nick, I rarely watch NY stream anymore. What?
Wait,
AG
who said
Trader. AG Trader.
Come on, AG. The fuck? Well, but at least you're here in London.
That's true. But come on.
Star Trader. Hey, Nick, you may have been this already. What's the timeline until nano features get added to Tradeify? I don't know, because nano features get released today, right? Let's see.
Oh, 24th. Shit.
I think so. And the product code is NNQ. That's so weird.
I know.
It is gonna lead to so
there?
many. This is gonna lead to so many confusions on stream. Yeah, I'm in one MNQ. Did you say MNQ or NNQ?
Oh no, that's gonna be so hard. Nanos.
Features.
I didn't see it on here yet. See me. Oh.
No, I mean I don't think it's gonna be on Tradeify yet. But yeah, it has volume now on the CME.
You can see it on the
CME website so far, 1,163 volume. So nothing, but it is traded.
Okay.
It is traded a little bit at least.
Jimmy says nano is garbage. Jimmy, come on. Give it some time. Look, it definitely allows more retail traders into the space.
Well, Jimmy, let's have a conversation. Why is it garbage? I don't say I agree with you or I disagree with you, but let's get some more out of you instead of just saying it's garbage.
He just said, okay, fair enough.
Brazilian Forex says, Nick, screenshot mine. I haven't received my giveaway from Tuesday, 28th July. Okay, I'm going to screenshot that right away. Thank you.
Well, Amin Dopamine says, I can't imagine someone trading with nanos. I mean, it doesn't even make sense. Well, what if, for example, you only need a few more dollars to pass that evaluation to get that payout? What if you could just risk with nanos, you know?
Yeah, but you can also do it with just one micro. So
hey?
You can just do it with one micro.
Yeah, but I mean, I guess it also allows people they're able to trade with less. It just allows more people into the trading space, I guess. People with less capital.
Right guy, the fly guy, a nano is 1/10 of a micro. So you have a mini, then a micro is 1/10 of a mini, and then a nano is 1/10 of a micro. So it's 100th of a mini. It's nothing. Yeah, Francois, mais oui. And nanos just got released today.
Francois. I wonder if they're after commissions, like how worth it it's gonna. What?
What is the overnight margin of nanos? It should be 450-ish. But let's see. What? No. Huh. That's funny. When you go on nanos and you go on the margins website, it shows you the cattle futures margin for some reason. That's so weird.
Who is actually trading cattle futures? Come on. Jimmy said, if you want to get a feel for the game with less risk, then okay, go for it. But if you're learning just paper trade, then get an eval and trade micros when you're ready. Yeah, I get that. I personally don't know if I'll ever trade a nano. Maybe just for fun.
I bet you will.
You think?
Yes. You will.
I like trading micros, but why not throw some nanos in there? I don't know what the commissions are, actually. What are the commissions on nanos?
I don't know. Well, I can look it up. 1 second.
Oh, this is an interesting conversation. Paper trading is a waste of time. Some people think it's the next small step after paper trading. Okay, chat. How do you guys find a beginner trader should approach the charts? Is paper trading a good way to start? Or do you guys think that a beginner should just get straight into an eval with low risk and just, I guess, start trading evaluations?
You should definitely have something on the line.
Yeah. Well, I won't say what I think yet, but let's see what the chat.
That's just my long story short.
Yeah. Have something on the line.
Let's see. Nano NQ futures commissions. What it says 20 cents per side.
20 cents?
Not sure yet. Figuring it out right now.
Okay. Just to answer some of these answers that are coming in now. So straight into it. Add MS is straight into it so you can train your emotions as well. Agreed. A lot of people, Robos also says straight in, need some skin in the game. So who thinks that you need to actually paper trade? Okay, Evatronics says paper trading to learn and then small 1 micro with back test. Whoa, there are so many comments coming in now. Oh, there we go. Roman's put a poll in there. Paper trading versus straight to eval. Let's see what that comes
That's
through.
going to be interesting. Okay.
Matt Dawson said, I liked paper trading to learn my strategy and make sure I can execute it, then start small trading for the emotional side of trading. Okay, so you kind of use paper trading like a back testing tool, like just to see your setup play out. Interesting. Paper trading is excellent for learning and watching strategy live. Yeah, but you can't say that how you, okay, now of my opinion, I don't think in a paper trade you can fully grasp how you would actually take that trade on a live account or in an actual funded or eval account because you have no money on the line. There's nothing at risk. So you could take great paper trades. You could be taking like 2R profit and 5R profit, whatever. I don't know why I said 2R, but like say that's something you're aiming for and you take these clean trades. But that's because maybe you're just thinking without emotion because you have no money on the line. So maybe you're trading great on paper trading and that's how you think you're going to trade when it comes to live, but then all of a sudden your results are completely different because now there's emotions involved and decisions you have to make because there's now money on the line. So you care more about obviously the trade you're in, decisions you're making are going to be a bit different. So I don't think paper trading can really tell you much. If anything, it just helps you to practice where to click buy and sell and gives you a bit of an idea of how it looks. In terms of trading, I think it's kind of not going to help you much.
Asian Boys UK says time to put TP up because it etched. No, it didn't. That's not how this works. It's how you like to think it works. Well, that's not how it works. Edge means it goes like, I don't know, between 1 and 4 ticks towards TP and then comes back down. Then I'll move it up. But like this, it was still away. It was still 7 points-ish away. Actually, 9 points-ish away from TP. So no, that's not edging the TP. Not at all. But Roman, maybe let's go to Celine's screen because she has 2 trades on at the moment.
Yes, I'm 5 micros into a gold short and 3 micros here in NQ long. At the moment,
baller today.
Yeah, 8 contracts.
Look at that.
And it's Monday, so who would have thought?
So what difference does that make?
Okay, yeah, we're not gonna go there. But I mean, first day of the week. I mean,
So what? What difference does that make?
Huh?
What difference does that make?
It doesn't make a difference, Nick. I know, but it's just a mental thing. It's just like it's Monday. Sometimes, the Monday price action can be a little bit more choppy. That's all. But the actual day of the week, no, it doesn't make too much of a difference. But we'll see. Hopefully, gold starts to break this low. We've been chopping around a lot on gold here. If we can break, potentially now we're going to break it. What is
Chris
that?
Trades for Life is asking, isn't that hedging? No, because she is in two different product groups. She's in minis, she's in MNQ or NQ, I don't know, and gold. Those are two different product groups. It's equity
One is yes.
and metals. So that's not hedging.
Celine trading a bit aggressively. No, I actually like both these setups. Both of them are like they follow the rules of my model, so there's nothing aggressive about it except that I'm in them at the same time, and that's all. Like, you kind of don't normally see me take two trades at once on stream, but I like the gold short from here, so I took it.
Trade Tinkerer, yes, I just forwarded this to the team. Thanks for letting me know.
Mexican dance short in gold. Holy. Yeah, I know. I'm kind of against trend on both here. I'm shorting against this bullish trend on gold, and I'm longing into NQ as well. So yes.
Yeah, I like your NQ longs though.
Thank you. Thank you. I am a fader when it comes to the markets. I will be fading those lows and fading the highs every time.
Seattle says hedging is when you trade the same thing opposite way at the same time. Yes, but also same product group. So for example, NQ and ES are in the same product group. So you can't go long NQ and short ES. Also, for example, silver and gold are in the same product group. So you can't go long gold and short silver. But you can do two separate product groups against each other, like Celine does right now. She's long NQ and short gold. That is equity index versus metals. So that's fine.
Mexican dance says, big girl Celine low key. I remember back when you only took one trade a day. I never took one trade a day. Only 2 losses a day, yes, but never one trade a day.
One trade a day? Sounds awful.
Maybe if it was like a shitty, I only had one clean setup, fair, but it was never a rule of mine to only take one trade a day. There's no way.
One trade a day sounds awfully boring to me.
Me too. Abby says, make it a triple and short oil with me. Hee hee.
Yeah.
No.
T3 metrics, you're absolutely right. But we're here on Tradeify TV, so obviously we talk about the Tradeify rules, not about the CME rules in general. Corrupt68 says, hedge, but careful at different accounts. You can't trade one account short and one account long. Yes, that's correct. You cannot. You can also not do it in the same account. You just can't do it in general. Chill guys, that's the same. There are no CME rules about long, short, and NQES as they are different. You are lying. Again, we're talking about the Tradeify rules, not the CME rules. Of course, CME allows you to do NQ, long, ES, short. That's not a problem at all. But at Tradeify, you can't. So if you try to do this on a Tradeify account, you will lose your account very quickly. It's gonna
Don't do it. Don't do it. Mano, Celine, what indicators are you using? If you go back like 30 minutes ago, I did go through it. It's a sessions and key levels indicator by Script Edge. You can get it in your indicator list. And that's this one.
Adrian says, Nick, give me an account. I was burnt last night or last day, whatever. Okay, so I don't want to be rude, but what does that have to do with me if you burnt your account?
Straight up. Brian, what happened if you accidentally hedged? Do you have a few seconds to close it? I believe there's a grace period of like 10 seconds.
10 seconds. However, if you repeatedly do it, you're going to get breached as well. Your account's going to get breached. Like if that happens once, not a problem. But as soon as it's like 2-3 times, it's being flagged as on purpose, and then poof, you're gone.
Oh, wait.
Seattle says, Celine and Nick are the goats of Tradeify. Hell yeah.
Oh, thank you. Appreciate you. The goats, Nick. Do you reckon? Are we the goats? The London goats. All right, we are 3 points away from this TP now. Come on. NQ.
So close.
That's the NQ trade, by the way. Gold is coming back to my BE area. Gold not so nice, on the other hand.
So close. Yeah, my target is 18.25. So we're getting there. Let's see if we can hit it.
Look, Mexican dance, what does that even mean? Like, you guys have a good masculine-feminine synergy? What the hell does that mean?
I don't know.
Celine, you should set BE after low breaks on gold. No, I have strict rules in place on my break even for me to determine like where I'm safe or where I would allow this position to be break even is only when I've taken a partial of taken money off the table here. So 4692.6 is the level that I want to take my first partial. And so if we don't hit that, then I'm letting this full trade run out, like whatever it happens. If it takes me out as a stop, whatever, I've got to leave it some room. And especially on gold. From what I keep hearing from you gold traders, from Rebecca, from Andrea in the chat, you've got to let gold, you know, have a bit of space.
Gotta let it run.
Gotta let it run. All right. In Q, we are not so close anymore. Oh, 4 points.
We are getting close.
AG Trader Celine, I do have one beef with you though. You keep saying you never lie to us, but we already caught you lying to us twice. Once when you kept saying you're not a bounty in the Grand Cup, and now today. Okay, that's twice. That's not a lot. Okay.
Well, it was technically 3 times when you said on Friday that I'm sick, but I made you say that.
Yeah, and that was not by my decision. I had to do that for Nick.
I forced her.
Yes, true. You did. And I wasn't going to spoil that, chat. So, AG Trader, what choice did I have? Hey?
Money gun to the head. She was forced.
Come on. Well, AG Trader, he's like, well, you still lied. Okay, well, I apologize. I did. I said sorry. Okay, let's try and move past this, AG Trader. Let's try. You can trust me.
He's like, no, you lied. Are we going to see 18.25? That's the question.
Who knows? I thought we were going to see at least 14.75, and now we're...
You know, I think I know who knows.
Who?
Bauno. Bauno knows.
Bauno! What a throwback. Yeah. Bauno, are you here?
That'd be so funny if he was here.
Bauno.
Who remembers Bauno?
Yeah, who actually knows who we're talking about?
Nishan says, hey Nick, I want to give away last Monday. When do I get it? I'll screenshot this message and forward it to the team. Thanks for letting me know. I'm assuming you do have your email address in your YouTube channel description, and it is your Tradeify login email. Let me double check.
We're always saying Sling got edged on that 14 target. Yeah, kinda. It's fine. I was 4 points away. It happens.
Jonathan says, stupid question. Of course I remember him. Bring back Bauno. I missed him. Jonathan, I would love to bring back Bauno, but I have no idea where he is.
Where did he go?
Fibovici says, hey Nick, last August 10th I won a 100k select. You can't let my Tradeify email in the description. That day after the live ended, nothing happened until today. That is unfortunate. I'm sorry about that. Again, I'm going to take a screenshot of this. I'll send it to the team. And hopefully they take care of it super quick for you. Thanks for letting us know.
Cynthia says, morning guys, I have the issue of taking profit quickly when I'm in... Taking profits too quickly when I'm in profit and holding losses too long. How do you deal with that? Well, do you not just trade with TP levels and a stop loss where, you know, so you're not cutting things off early or too long? Just have orders in place. Trade with these, with a TP at least. I mean, you don't have to trade with a stop loss. But if you do, at least have these orders in place. Therefore, you're not messing with your trades. Let them play out. So then, you're not you're losing trades too long or you're winning trades too short because you just have orders in place, and whether they get hit, they get hit. They don't, whatever. But try not to manually mess and micromanage your trades.
Jimmy Trade says, I have not won a giveaway for a long time now, Nick. Can you have a chat with your giveaway wheel and put in a good word for me? Yes, I'll do that right now. 1 second.
There you go, Jimmy. Damn, he's really telling him. All right.
Okay. Yep. Just did it.
Yeah, that looks really intense.
You should win today, Jimmy.
Watch everyone else now want you to tell him.
Imagine how funny if he now wins.
I know. So rigged. AG Trader says, well, been here for more than a year and haven't won either. The giveaway is rigged.
You're right, AG Trader. I always tell the wheel to not pick you.
Come on, you got to have that mindset. Today's your day, AG Trader. You woke up a winner. Come on. Today's the day.
I love doing that. I wake up in the morning. It's actually the first thing I do. I'm like, yeah, let's make sure AG Trader doesn't win today.
Okay, well, gold and NQ kind of moving in sync here. Gold is dropping, which is good. That's what I want. But then NQ also dropping, which is not what I want. And we were 4 points away from TP there, which is annoying.
It's annoying, yeah.
Chris Janker says, it's rigged. I've tried 4 times and no win. 4 times? You think 4 times is enough?
Wow, 4 times.
4 times is nowhere near enough. There is almost 1,000 of you.
Something.
Hey?
He thinks he's something, but it's not the case, my friend. It's not the case.
Andrea says, oh, look, gold is giving you a TP and NQ showing you the middle finger there.
Oh, no, R.
I know. Look at that, NQ.
Brutal.
But the gold short should cover this. If NQ is a L, we should still be up nicely.
Nice. Nice. Yeah, well, I guess we'll find out more in 60 minutes when that 9 a.m. UK candle comes in, which is New York pre-market open.
Gold TP. So close. I just hit gold TP 1. So I've
Roman, thank you.
I've taken profits there, partial. I took 3 contracts off at that TP1, and now I'm letting the rest. Sorry, I need to let the rest run for that final low 4685.2 on gold.
Nice. So everybody, put a W in the chat for Celine.
Yeah.
Drop a little W right there.
Woohoo. All right, gold ended up playing, I was a bit nervous going into this gold trade only because of what happened on Friday, where I had the same idea, just it completely went against me, and then it dumped later on. So I was like, do I trust gold today? But I ended up following through. I played the model. Everything had been ticked off in this trade. It wasn't against any of my rules. And so why not be comfortable taking that trade? Even though I took a loss on Friday, I should not be hesitating there. So I'm glad I took it. We were in a bit of drawdown there, but we survived. And now I'm in a position to be break even on the rest here, or at least, get full TP. So we've locked in profits either way.
Very nice, Celine.
But yes. And thank you, Andrea, for the support during that, because she's a gold trader, and she was like, Celine, you know what? She was keeping me, well, I was saying in the beginning I hated this trade, but Andrea, you kept me in this. You told me it looks good. Andrea says, not to be biased, but I think it's time to give more chart time to gold. I'm just saying, look, Andrea, here is a day where gold plays out nicely in my favor, but in the London session, 9 times out of 10, it's not nice to me. But here is a W on gold.
You don't trade it often, do you?
Not really, I don't. But the times I do, I swear I'm just getting burned. And the times I don't, I see it play out so cleanly. Always. I prefer it in the New York.
But that's also a bit bias,
Yeah, I know.
It's a bit of fake observation, I would say,
Mhm.
because humans tend to see what they want to see. So obviously, if you're not in it, you see it working out, and if you're in it, you see it not working out.
Oh, that is true. And the thing is, the real truth is, I really find gold a much cleaner, like, price action to trade in the breakout way in the New York session. So I do prefer it in New York. But look, from time to time, I'm willing to put the risk on when it's like a session high, all the high, like the 4-hour high. All these things align. I was willing to put the risk on there. But yes,
Fair.
not all the time.
Fair. Ramil says 45 more likes, chat. Only 45? Damn. Let me check. Yeah, actually. 43. 43 more likes to hit the next giveaway target.
Damn. That was quick.
Jonathan says, I do prefer a 16-inch pizza to a 10-inch. That makes sense. I understand. Psycho says, Nick, why are you walking? You're so skinny already. Okay.
How does that make you feel?
I don't know. It doesn't make me feel anything.
I've been working during a week programming a bot with my strategy. What are the rules about that in Tradeify? Nope, you cannot be using a bot in your Tradeify accounts, using your Tradeify accounts.
Great question, Juan. Colleen, when will you drop by New York?
Maybe this week.
Yeah, doesn't really sound confident.
I don't know. I like to lock in the New York session, okay? I get distracted in the chat. Maybe I'll drop by in the chat today. How about that?
No, you should come on as a guest.
Yeah, but it's so chaotic. I need this silence.
Yeah, well...
I'll drop it. You know what? Today I'll drop it in the chat and I'll see what you guys are up to.
That would be more distracting to me than being on, to be honest.
Yeah, because you're not listening. It's more distracting having me in the chat.
You said what?
See? Mm-hmm.
I'm kidding. Of course I'm listening. Come on. I'm always listening. Sometimes I just don't memorize what I listen to. Celine plus 2Nix plus Miriam. Might be cinema, says Mexican Dance.
It'd be pretty sick.
Yeah, come on. Be a guest.
All right, one of these days I will.
Okay, what day? Let's commit. What day?
Can't tomorrow. Wednesday? You can try Wednesday.
Ooh, YT Wednesday? Hell yeah.
Oh yeah, YT Wednesday.
That sounds like a plan.
Okay. Let me see if I have a good London session, then I'll come on New York.
Come on, Celine.
Come on. Let me focus. I already traded live for 3 hours. If I've had a shit London session and then to have a New York session live,
yeah, I do 4 every day. So what?
Come on.
You can do one more hour in New York. You don't have to be there for 12 hours.
Okay.
It's not going to be a problem, Celine.
Okay, I'll do it.
Oh, chat, we got her to commit. Wednesday it is. Wednesday it is.
I can't believe right now how one of these, both NQ and Gold now both in like sync here. So one trade looks like it's going to hit stop loss. One's going to take full TP. So that sucks.
That does indeed suck.
But let your winners outweigh your losses. That's important. The good thing.
That is important.
Chiefy Jocelyn, if you back out, you owe me a pizza too. Chat, we can't be giving
she owes everybody pizza if she backs out.
No.
What do you mean no? Sure.
Celine, I think you and Miriam will rocket record views. Maybe. I mean, we hit record views in the London session. So
True. How many views are we at right now? Oh, 1,666. Let's go, chat. Also, we cracked 152,000 subscribers, which is massive.
Go.
That's awesome.
AJ Trader Celine, tell us in advance when you're going to be in the New York stream. I'm saying Wednesday. It's going to be chaos. Gonna have to trade with the potato and then the Nictator. And of course, I could speak to Miriam all day.
Hey, I'm usually very quiet. Wait. Hold on. Wait. You said what now?
I'm kidding. No, it'll be fun. But 4 of us, how are we even gonna manage that?
It's gonna be funny. Man of Mouth says, won the giveaway in last week's late night New York stream. Well, which one, Man of Mouth? What day? Now, usually I'm very quiet during the New York stream, so you might even talk more than me. Let's see.
Maybe.
You might.
Probably not. I'm not going to compete with the potato.
Well, but more than me.
Well, after 3 hours of talking in the London session, I might not have much to say.
Well,
we'll see.
We'll see.
Look at this. Correct. That high that got put in was 4 points from my TP there. NQ, you little bitch, rat, whatever you want to call it.
You sound like Miriam now.
Yeah, I know. I was just thinking that. Rat? Like, when have I ever called it a rat? It's a little bitch.
Too much influenced by Miriam.
This price action sucks. Honestly, NQ can go away. I don't want to look at this. The way it looks now, I'm probably going to take that stop. Honestly, it shouldn't be really trying to retest this low. If my thesis was correct, it should have at least kept going high there. There was no reason to stop at 2. What price was that? 209.
9.
No, 212 it stopped at. Oh, sorry, that high was 2 points away. Not even 4 points. I got 2 points away from my TP1.
Hey, what's up, Leia? What's up? How we doing?
Yeah, the top tick is insane one. Insane. Call me Nicholas Wickless today.
Nicholas Wickless.
And we do have volume coming in 7 minutes, so
ooh,
I'm probably cooked.
Fancy.
Wait, Leia, what do you do for work again? She said so much at work. Conflicts, kids.
She works with kids.
Oh, okay. At a school?
Kids, bullying sucks, says Leia. Well, Leia, that's part of being a kid, no? You get into conflicts. Some kids get bullied. Other kids bully. So that's how it works. It's life. You have to learn somehow what is okay and what isn't. That's why they got you.
Calm music. You can love Nick all you want, but you can't be spamming in here. So I've got to.
Hey, what do you say? Wait! Before you do anything, what do you say?
Okay, have a look quickly.
I like Nick. Oh yeah, you can spam that. No problem.
No, he can't. No.
Oh, come on, Celine.
This is not a dictatorship. As much as you want it to be, it's not.
You gave him 5 minutes?
A spam is a spam.
5 minutes for
call it what
right?
it is. It's spam.
Damn it. Yeah, chat, go for it. Do it. Give her no option to ban you all.
You guys, Mexican dance gone. Don't mess with me. I'm not joking, Mexican dance.
Do it. Yes. Do it.
Gone. Goodbye. Roman's spamming ones.
Yes, let's go.
What is this? Dictatorship. Goodbye, Jonathan. Anyone else want to get banned? Because I'm not. What the hell? Now I can't even. Now it's too quick.
Oh, we got to answer this question again. Has been a long time. JJM97. I'm curious, why do you walk near your desk, Nictator? Do you do it on a treadmill? Nope. I have some socks. They're called moonwalkies. They're super slippery. It's kind of the same effect as a treadmill, but you just walk in place. You just do the moonwalk in place. It's pretty cool.
Chad, I'm not even looking at this anymore because you know you're all just spamming.
Love you, chat. Oh, by the way, are we close to the giveaway yet? The next one?
Oh, we were. We probably have.
Oh, yeah, we are. We're sitting at 1,000 likes. Let's go. Okay, chat. Now you got to stop spamming because otherwise you miss the Google form, which would be bad. But let's do this. If you want to participate in this giveaway, then all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super duper mega trooper disqualified. And I don't want that for you. So once this 5-minute candle shows 2 minutes and 30 seconds left, you're going to have 10 seconds, okay? I'm going to send you the link and you're going to have 10 seconds to fill out the form. Because on the last giveaway, we had way too many people. So 10 seconds, whoever makes it in is lucky. Whoever doesn't, well, too bad.
Too bad.
Ooh, 5 seconds. And bam. Bam, bam, bam.
I love how Mexican Dance thinks I'm being... he said, I like Selena. You know what? I'm not a dictator. That's still spam, Mexican Dance. You're out of here.
Okay, 360 people made it in 10 seconds. That's wild.
Yeah.
360 people made it into the Google form within 10 seconds. Congratulations. Let's see who actually made it and copy them over. 360. It's loading now. You broke the form again, chat. Come on.
With 360, we're breaking it? That's...
No, but of course there are more people entering now.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Now I understand. Okay, here we go. 360 people in the Google form. And we're going to see who is the second winner of this week's giveaways. Here we go. Spinning. Second winner of today's giveaway is, if it's HE Trader, it's going to be so funny.
HE Trader.
Nah, Thomas Jensen. Thomas Jensen 5360. Type something in the chat.
Congrats, Thomas.
Thomas. Very well done.
Thomas. I actually think he was talking earlier today. I think I was talking to Thomas. If it's the same one.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Let's see. Thomas. There he is. He says, oh, damn. Yeah, so damn. Let's see what you actually win.
Long live Oslo, Sweden.
Okay, here we go. Oh, not just spinning that wheel. I'm gonna refresh now. Here we go. Okay, Thomas, spinning for you. You will receive looks like a growth account. Ooh, looks like a bigger growth account. Nice. 100K growth account. Gonna get a 100K growth account. I see you already have your email address in your YouTube channel description. Now, all you gotta do is make sure it's your Tradeify login email, and we're gonna be sending you your free account within the next 7 days. Congratulations.
Congratulations. And AG Trader says, who here thinks the giveaway is rigged? I want to know, AG Trader, where is your proof for that? Thomas Jensen just won fair and square. You saw that?
AG Trader is just jealous.
I wonder what is the logic behind these rigged allegations.
By the way, here's the 9 a.m. candle. So
here we go. How we cooked.
Let's see what's going to be.
I have a stop at 117, which is just below that swing low here on NQ. Below there is 29124, and my stop is 117. And gold, I'm in a position, I have my break even at 704. So potential for it to get swept out, stop me at break even on gold, and take me out as a loss on NQ, but we'll see. Hopefully neither.
Let's see. Let's see what we do here.
Oh, wow. I look away from the chat for 1 second and there's spam again.
There's a spammer. Ooh.
Proof is me, Celine. I'm more than a year and I still haven't won.
Dear Dax says rigged comments are a joke, obviously, guys. Oh, really? Thanks for explaining. I didn't know that.
Wait, Mexican Dance says he hasn't won. AJ Trader says Mexican Dance hasn't won either, but I'm pretty sure he has.
Yeah, he
Mexican
has.
Dance?
He's lying.
Yeah, he has.
Hey,
Patty,
T-Trader.
good morning.
Hey, T-Trader, he has been here as long as you, but he's not a loser like you.
Oh, Nick. Damn. Pancake Patty in the chat. Good morning, Patty.
Hey, morning, Pancake Patty. Ooh, NQ coming down.
Oh, am I safe here?
NQ coming down.
117. No, I got stopped on my NQ freaking long there. Missed TP by 2 points. Taken out with a full stop. And I bet this comes back. I bet this comes back.
So why don't you re-enter it with 1 micro? And I'm serious.
If there is a bullish reaction inversion, I will. I will re-enter an NQ long here. It would have to have a reason for me to enter.
Do it here.
Sorry?
Just do it here. You expect it to come back anyways.
No, I don't trade based on expectations. I need to see price do what I want first. It's not doing that yet. I can have expectations all I want. That's not gonna do anything for me. You know? I'm not a market maker. I can tell you I want it to. I bet this goes up, but I'm not gonna trade on my bets and my wants.
Well,
right, cancel those orders.
Okay.
It just sucks that I was 2 points away. That's what I hate. 2 points away from that TP.
That
then I would have taken partials.
That does indeed suck.
But we still have this gold trade, hopefully.
I don't know. Let's see.
Gold shorts.
Let's see.
Leia says, I'm dying for my 150k account. Leia, you'll have to wait. Like, it should be a week from when we said, which I don't remember when that was.
Will says, help her, Nick. She loves help.
Oh, Andrea, you see what NQ does to you, Celine? You see what asset gave you money and which one took from you? Just saying. Yeah, this is unusual, actually, Andrea. It's usually the other way around. But yeah, I can't lie. NQ did me dirty on that long.
Pancake Patty says, yeah, man, I expect pancakes to be made every day, but unless I see a reaction, bracket, me making them, I will be a very hungry pancake patty. Yeah, that's true. Oh, we got Kane in the chat. Kane says we long that low, right? Of course, brother.
Wait, how come I can't see Kane?
I don't know. Maybe he blocked.
Did I remove him forever?
Maybe he blocked you.
No. Shit. Oh no, I see him now. I was thinking like that time that I blocked him, maybe I've like deleted him forever. Good morning, Kane. We long in this?
Of course. Come on.
We just got stopped by a few points.
Get back in. Do it, Celine. Do it.
Not yet.
Come on.
All right, with Kane here now. Kane. All right. As a disciplined trader as you are, Nick I took a stop out here. I had 2 points away from my first TP. Then ends up taking a full loss on this trade. And Nick's like, just get back in. Just get back in.
I'm not saying with full size, just do 1 micro. See, he also says, I think so, around here. Okay, good.
Yeah, but Kane has a process, Nick. I have a process as well.
Just do it, trust.
No. I will wait until I see what I want to see play out first.
Okay,
I don't want to just
you know what, Celine? You know what, Celine? In addition to the accounts that I already am trading, here we go. I'm going to put that 1 micro on. This is the trade I told you to take.
Great.
This is the trade I told you to take. Now let's see if it works.
Cool. Well, I'm saying I'm waiting every single day to see the reaction I want to see first in price, and then I will take the trade. Look, if this becomes the inversion, I will long this at around 156. I want to see though if we. There you go. I will actually long this now. See, Nick?
Too late.
Never too late. Never too late. Fact of the matter is, I just got wicked out of that, which is annoying, but my stop will be at the low. But see, I needed to wait for that. I needed to see that first.
Why? Why do you have to?
That's a process. That's the model. You don't know what that is.
I do.
Kane, help me out here. This guy kills me. Don't let the DJ no stop loss trader get to you, Celine. No, this is a valid setup for me now. This is the inversion play I waited for. I mean, it sucks that I had to get swept out of that, but I'm back in this same idea, same context of this trade as this one as well. We'll see.
Well. By the way, what's the next like target, Celine?
Good point.
Oh, Patrick. Ooh, he says, see, there we go. That trade just hit TP, Celine, the one I told you to take, for 55 points. Bing.
Hold on.
Bada bing, bada bong.
Nice. Well, I'm also in a long again, stuck to my rules in another long.
Here we go.
And just one moment. Okay, and I'm still holding this gold short. All right, like goal should be, I don't know, 1,300 sounds fair. 1,300. What did Kane say? He said, whoa. Yeah, what the hell was that? That kind of makes me feel uneasy, that candle.
I liked it. It was a really nice candle.
It's TP 29200. Nice. Nice. I want 214.75 again.
Oh, now my average is really nice at 29,127 and 3/4 for a long.
Nice.
Roman,
you know what's
if you want to go to my screen really quick so chat can see.
I don't know what exactly this low here that swept 29,116.75. That's that low. And you know what my stop loss was? 117. So from a tick, I got wicked out of that trade. That fucking burns.
And I immediately said, get back in when you get stopped out. The whole logic behind what I do is like, if you get like that low, this is a better buy than what you had before. If you think about it logically, like it is the lowest buy at that time that you could have gotten.
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
Thing is, I don't trade like that.
That's fine. We'll get you to do it one day.
Nope.
I gotta turn on my AC really quick. 1 second.
I want to know if Kane is still here. We can have this discussion. Kane, are you here? I have a question. I want to get his thoughts.
All right, let's go back to Celine's screen, Roman. She has 2 trades on. She's a baller.
Yes, today I'm still alive in this gold short. Trying to see if we can get to these lows here. And then I'm happy to take it off. I think it was like a 20 points on gold. It's like enough for me. Okay, Kane said I'm here. All right, Kane. Listen to this, right? Because I know Nick trade's very different to me and to you because you have stops and everything in place as well. When price goes lower and takes you out with a stop, Nick's reaction is always get back in. Get back in. It's going to go up. Go back in. Put a 1 micro size into it. Not heavy, nothing crazy, but he's like, just get back in. But my idea is like, I wait for confirmations. I wait for things to play out in price before I enter a trade, because it doesn't matter if I expect price to go up. Like, I'm not a market maker. I don't know where it's literally going to go next. So I don't like to take that risk. But what are your thoughts on that, Kane? Should you be entering after a stop loss just because you expect it to go up and with 1 micro? And I follow a very rule-based approach to my trading, so that's never going to work for me. But I'd like to know what you think.
Well, not if you say that's never going to work for you.
But Kane, I want to know what you think, because I know you're a disciplined trader. I know you look for particular things to play out in price as well. So,
okay,
what
wait.
is the pros?
Would you say I'm undisciplined?
No, I'm just saying that we also show discipline to stick to our models in trading and wait for confirmations in price before we enter. Kane says, most people are bad at managing risk. Nick is good at managing risk, so entering like that is okay for him. For most people, it's not.
That I agree with.
Yes. Okay. It's a risk management thing. Yes, he can go in with a micro and his account will survive. But what is the point if I haven't seen the confirmations in price that I'm look for? Why should I just enter that hoping it goes up? I'm never doing that. That's all.
Design Z says, Nick monkey trading. Yeah, that's how I do it.
The trade you took, Celine, had no confirmation. No, it did. It had the signature I look for in the London session reversal. I look for that inversion. I need that to happen first.
I have two important questions. Kane, first of all, how are your 2 cute little puppies doing? And second of all, how's your lawn doing? Is it still green after all that heat?
The puppies.
Kane goes, why do I have to pick a side?
You have to pick the side of logic, Kane. You're a logical man.
Mm-hmm.
I know you know. But yes, how is Zeus and Zella? Are they good? When are we going to see them on stream again? Oh, puppies actually stick. Zella threw up last night. They must have eaten something bad. That's not good. Are you going to take him to the vet, or?
He says the lawn is good. I've been watering it despite the ban. Whoops. Screenshot it and send to the police right now.
There's a ban on watering the lawn in the UK?
Yeah, because water levels are super low everywhere.
Everywhere?
Everywhere.
What? I did not know this. People in Greece like water their concrete driveways. They don't care. That's
kind of stupid. There's in Switzerland, there's a lake that went completely dry, and now there's like a rare plant that grows there, and it's like it looks like there never was a lake.
Oh, the heck? Like just this summer, it's been dried out?
Yeah, just like last week, I think.
Huh. Interesting.
Roman's like, not in Scotland though.
Mexican dance, what? A lot of famine incoming.
I'd be bullish. Let's see. Ryzen, where are you located? I'm in Switzerland, and Celine is in Greece.
Yes. Kane, did you long this?
I bet he's in a long. He did say when he came into the chat that he's gonna long this.
Let's see.
Julian says, Nick, would you short now since it bounced or long? Oh, hell no. I'm in longs on all the accounts I'm trading. 0 chance I'm going to short here. We're low. He says I bought the low with the starter position and added. Nice gain.
Nice.
But I got out at the H4 open. Nice. That was a quick trade.
Oh, the 29,200. Nice. Well, that pop must have been, I don't know what that was. Crazy 1 minute candle there.
S-Dub is asking, can you take a look at gold, please? Well, Celine is actually in a gold trade right now.
Yes, I'm in a gold short. To answer you guys, someone was talking about GC shorts all the way to 4,650s. It definitely can. I'm not looking to like take anything more off the table here except for these 20 points on gold to these lows and then get out of here. Because as you guys know, I'm not trading gold so much. And I liked the setup from, this was the original idea to short it into previous 4-hour low. And then we do have these stacked lows as well. So I'm looking to just take that and then get out of here. But it definitely can keep dropping. I'm not opposed to that. I'm just not as confident with holding gold trades as like I do with NQ. Trader Kane, it says, also like exiting into those pubs during London. Well, it was a nice exit. They took off there. I just want the high. I'm being stubborn here because it didn't take my previous TP by like 2 points, and now I need to go back and get it. So.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Not until Cyan 209 says we're not low. We're going to 29,070 and 28,950. Well, Cyan, it always depends how you define low, right? Robin, if you go to my screen really quick, just Cyan, so you understand how I'm thinking about this. Today, the overnight session was 364 points, which for recent sessions, this has been big, right? So short-term memory, this is big. Medium-term memory, this is normal. Long-term memory, this is huge. Now, what does that mean? If we look at our charts right here and we look left, there's nothing that is lower in a long time. You see? Let's go to the left. There's nothing that is lower. So if I look left and there's nothing that is lower, then that to me, that is low. Could we go down to 29,070? Sure, of course. Then that's even lower. But where we are right now, for me and the way I trade, this is low. Because I look left and there's nothing. So, all right, we can go back to Celine's screen.
I love how Patty just started singing. It's going down.
Is my 18 and a quarter TP incoming? That's the real question here.
Oh, this is so annoying that I took an L on that NQ original trade.
We need 18 and a quarter.
Let me put the position tools so you can see just how bad that was. 117. Oh.
If I hit 18 and a quarter, I'm going to be completely flat again, by the way, on my Tradeify accounts.
Nice. All right, I just need this TP1, please. Then I'll go break even. And I need gold to drop again. But as you can see, that's where I got taken out in my first long. So annoying.
Mm-hmm. On Tilt Trader, do you need to build a buffer with instant funded? Yeah, you need to hit a certain profit target. All about that is on the website. Just go into the help center and type lightning funded payout, and you're going to see it.
It's going down. Oh, Patrick, you have that song in my head. Scowini says the 1 minute entry would have been better, Celine. Where was the 1 minute entry? Oh, well, yes. Straight off those lows at 403 after that sweep. Would have been cleaner, but that's fine. It's fine. I'm in the 3-minute trade.
Dave J Trade says, Nick, are you happy to ignore the August 4th gap? Yeah, I don't really give a shit about that. Doesn't matter too much. Miss Kitty Kasumi says, up on my Lightning, $965. I'm just chilling now. Nice. Well done.
Very nice.
I do have a question though, Miss Kitty Kasumi. Which size are you trading? 50K, 100K, 150s? What are you trading? David says, hi, new to the stream. Where can I get more info on the way you guys trade? Hey, first of all, welcome to Tradeify TV, the best stream in the industry. And also, the way you can learn about how we trade is watch this live stream, ask questions, and we'll try to help you as much as possible.
There is also a YouTube video I filmed on our YouTube channel where you can go and watch me break down the strategy I use every London session.
And that. Okay, Miss Kitty Kazumi trading 150K Lightning. Well, just food for thought. Just food for thought. Or actually, before I give you food for thought, one more question. Do you plan on taking another trade today on this account? Yes or no?
By the way, guess who's back?
Who is back?
The drillers.
The drillers?
Yep.
Oh.
Can you hear them?
I actually can't.
They're there. I think they're working on the other side, so it's a little more quiet, but yeah.
Do you enjoy it?
What?
Do you enjoy it?
Oh, I enjoy it so much. Like I miss them, and I was even thinking I should celebrate, like go out and take them like some coffees this morning. Like, I'm so glad you guys are back.
You should. You should.
No, it's more like give them coffees and tell them to fuck off for 3 hours in the morning.
Hey, you can't complain about them anymore. You're not allowed.
Why?
You said yourself you're never going to complain about them anymore.
Well, I just want them to be done, Nick. That's all.
I know, but you said that you're never going to complain about them anymore, so you can't say anything.
It's okay. Fine. No more complaining. Love having the drillers back next door.
Oh, chat, I would have loved for her to complain now and get aggressive about it, and then I would have pulled the receipt and it would have
No, because I remember saying that, okay? I actually remember that. I'm not going to complain.
Damn it. Kane's like, drill, drill.
No, Kane, if only you knew. The wall of my house is maybe like they've left a 10-centimeter gap, literally the smallest thing, to the next building. So they've been drilling into this wall that pretty much like directly goes into my office wall, and I've been having to trade and stream and listen to drillers. So yeah.
James, no, I actually don't. I'm not a big soccer fan anyways.
They're not renovating, Kane. They're building a freaking like a whole apartment complex right next door. Yes. And I should have known when I came to see this house, there was a building site next door, but I don't know. I just thought they'd be finished in like a month. They have the whole frame, everything's up, it's concreted. Like, I don't know why they're still drilling, but anyway, they're still freaking drilling.
Chicken says Nick loves FC Zurich. Well, Chicken, HSFCZ.
Wait, what did he say? Oh, wait, is there like a Lucerne FC?
Yeah, there is.
Oh.
They suck though.
I'm sure they do.
Mm-hmm.
A building site, and you thought they'd be done in a month. Yeah, well, based on how it looked, it looks ready to me. I don't know. They just have to like paint a little bit. And that doesn't, like, paint is fine, but drilling, like structure wise, it's up.
Oh, you don't get annoyed by the sound of painting?
No. Shut up, Nick. I don't care.
Hey, whoa. Chat,
Okay.
did you hear that?
Sorry, all right, calm it
It
down.
just tells me to shut up. Okay, I'll leave. See you, bye.
I don't, no, that's not what I'm saying. I'm going to pull up a photo now of the construction that I'm talking about. Hold on, one moment. this. Oh, I can hear them even now. The gangsters talking. Nick, come back. Oh.
Hello.
Is that Roman or Nick?
Hello.
It's like a mix between Roman and Nick, and I don't know what's going on. Nick, can you come back? Hello? Nick.
I lost the internet really quick.
Oh yeah, there we go. There you are. All right, this is what the construction.
Say hi, hello, and then Roman just goes hi. That was so unexpected. I couldn't talk anymore. I was laughing so hard.
Look at the construction.
Okay,
it's ready. They just need to paint.
That's not even close to ready. What the fuck?
Yeah.
You see any windows in there?
Yeah, that's next, but that's not drilling. Okay, that's not drilling.
Chat, how do we tell her?
We don't tell her. Let me have this, Nick. Let me have this frustration. Kane reckons at least 5 months of drilling. Hell no.
Easily. It's not even
5.
close.
No, guys. There's no way. I'm gonna go out and ask them today, actually, after stream.
It's not even close to done, Celine.
Nick, the longest part is putting the structure up. Look, there's cement, there's brick, there's like, all I can see now is they need to paint and yes, put windows and doors in, and then we're good. If everyone does their job, they could easily do that.
Yeah, but
in a month.
you're in Greece, not in Switzerland. This takes time.
And now we're gonna have the Swiss versus Greece debate.
Yeah, well, that's not even a debate, and you know it. It's like efficiency, efficiency, productivity, quality. Yeah, no.
Shut it.
You know, it was so funny. Like this villa that Chicken rented, like it was so nice. It was really a really nice place.
I'm sure.
And I was sitting on this bench next to the pool, and I looked straight to the horizon, basically. And there's like lines from the plates, like there were like big stone plates as the floor, basically. And there's lines from the plates coming one after each other. And then there's a lounge built into the ground so that you can, like, you go down and you sit there. And the lines of the ground was like this, and the lounge was literally built like this.
Oh.
Not even in a straight line. And I saw it, I was like, okay, yeah, that's how you know you're not in Switzerland.
Oh my gosh. I
was so
swear. Funny. I agree with that. I swear they just take shortcuts and they rush things when it comes to building, but I'm still waiting for this place to get built. There are things in my house where I look, if you look at like the corners, they don't fully look straight of like the rooms.
Yeah,
like
that's what I'm saying.
I don't get it though.
That is
like, are they not skilled?
No.
Don't you have to like pass? Like, how do you become a builder here? Is it just, are there tests?
Will Waring says 25 years in construction here. That's still a building site. See, Celine?
Oh wait, what did he? Wait, how long does he think?
Also, Chicken says, Celine, the motorway in Thessaloniki should have been finished 2022.
That motorway is still getting built. Oh, did we smash TP on gold? We did. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Okay, that gold trade is completely off there. Gonna cancel that stop order now. W's in the chat for the gold shorts. Nice. Now we just need NQ to play out. Yeah, I don't know. Greece and construction is just another ballgame. But the guy that's in construction for 25 years, I want to know how long he thinks that should take. Like, if his team was working on it, does he think a month is reasonable?
James, I have no idea because I don't have a mortgage. Currently, I'm renting. So, I don't know. Haven't looked into it. But yeah, everybody put a W in the chat for Celine for her TP hit.
Okay, it's just me and Nick could get it done in 5 days.
Yeah, easily. Because we're gonna get Susan Sella to carry the stuff up the stairs, and then
The paint?
they pretty much carry everything, and then Kane and I will be done in like I would say even 4 days, but I agree with Kane. Like let's under.
Look, I can provide all meals. You know, everything will be covered. Just
as long as it's not tzatziki and all that other bullshit.
Okay, Nick doesn't like tzatziki. I can't believe it. Can you help this guy out?
Well, does Kane like tzatziki? We don't know yet.
I'm sure Kane likes tzatziki. He knows. He's been to Greece.
Super Goofy Block says Nick is actually a surprisingly nice guy. I hated him at first. Hey, I like you too, Super Goofy Block. I think I never hated you.
He said, I personally do not like it either. What?
Oh.
I'm shocked.
To say the least. Owned. Kane, I knew you were a good guy. Now I know you're a great guy.
So what are you guys doing? You come here, you have a souvlaki, and you say no tzatziki?
Of course.
What the hell? Like, don't come here. You know what? Just don't come to Greece, guys. Don't come and eat.
She's talking as if she's been living in Greece for her entire life, grew up there, has Greek parents and everything. Guys, she just literally moved there.
Yeah, but I'm very passionate about tzatziki. That sauce goes on everything. Can't believe it.
Damien says, Nick, I live in Switzerland too. How is it with the taxes for trading? If you live here, you should know, dude. But no, I mean, if you just started, then you obviously don't. I run everything through an LLC in Switzerland.
Celine speaks as if she owns Greece. I do, though. I do.
Oh, you do? Okay. Hey,
Jimmy.
see you, Jimmy. Great. See you later.
See you, Jimmy. Enjoy dinner.
Jonathan says, I don't like Nick either. I love Nick. And Celine when she doesn't ban me.
Jonathan, I literally bought you a pizza on Friday. You can have no hate for me anymore.
Actually, there's one way how I like to use tzatziki. How about that? How about that twist?
There's one way, what?
Yes, there's one thing I like to put tzatziki on.
Okay, go on, Nick, without being disgusting. What?
The garbage bin.
You're so funny.
It's disgusting. Yeah, Jonathan says he banned me today for typing spam. So he's not liking you today. Yeah, Jonathan, you knew it. You knew it.
So funny. Ha ha ha. You know, you guys are the ones missing out. That's fine. That's fine. Have your bland meat, have your bland souvlakis, and enjoy Greece.
Justin says I used tzatziki to fix my wall. I never heard of fixing a wall with overnight oats. That's crazy.
Jonathan, goodbye.
Oh, okay. Now we have a new problem with the treadmill chat. Uh-oh. Now it's not screaming. Now it's vibrating. I don't know if that's a good thing.
No, that doesn't sound good.
Well, it does not sound. It doesn't feel good. What am I going to do with this?
Can you reset it again?
I really feel like it's going to explode at some point.
Nick, we do not want to see that on camera.
It's like
at least if you're exploding, can you turn the camera
before the volcano erupts, you know? It's shaking right now. It's weird. It actually feels kind of good. It loosens the muscles. It's like a massage treadmill.
Yeah, but just so you know, treadmills are not meant to shake.
Oh. I didn't know.
Don't get used to this.
Constantine says, Nick, we need you to blow up on YouTube, not on your treadmill. And he even said treadmill because the guy knows. Constantine, you're a legend.
He knows. NQ, come on. 214 is what I need. Just a little more.
I need 218 and a quarter I've been trading this up and down. If you look at my executions here on screen. So 218.25 is just going to flatten me for now. And then we'll see.
Nice. Huang likes food says, can you ask Kane what his long TPs are? He's already out. He took his TP and got out of there.
Kane got a quick trade in.
Are you trading much of the London session these days, Kane? Or do you sit out in the summer months? He said not really, to be honest. Hasn't been the cleanest.
Says I'm just really busy with other stuff. Was up early today, so I had a chance to look. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Oh, we're getting there, Celine.
Slowly. Fernando, Celine, when do you go BE and MNQ? I will go BE if it hits my 214, that first partial area, and then I will go break even on the rest here.
Nice.
Which is 1 micro I will hold. But as long as I get to that TP1, like you guys saw on the same, I use the same risk management approach when I traded the gold short. I waited till I took that first TP level, and then I went break even on the rest. So at least I'm locking in the profits and then at no risk letting the rest run.
I 100% heard restaurant right now.
Restaurant. That's it. The restaurant. Go break even and then restaurant. Caleb Viesling, do you have a different model that doesn't require the 4 hours, so you just watch your strategy video? Yes, when I trade New York, I'm not so pinned to the 4 hour. I will use session levels more, like a London low sweep as the liquidity level. And I'm just a little bit more flexible to those lows that I'm watching in New York session as opposed to the London. London, I'm a bit more strict to take less setups, but in New York, I can, see different things.
Deepak says, Heineck, please take my previous doubt. What?
What?
I gotta look at your channel activity really quick. He said, Heineck, why did you ask for entering long again after her stop loss? Please explain with top-down analysis. I'll give you top-down analysis. The market was lower than it was before. She went long before, so this was a better buy. It's actually simple. If everybody says buy low, sell high, but nobody actually buys low, they get stopped out low and then they don't buy again because they're scared. That doesn't make any sense.
It wasn't about being scared. It was about following a process and following a model of trading.
I'm not talking about you.
Through it again.
I'm talking about you. I know your explanations.
Huh? Hey, TP1, we got there. All right, going break even.
I got mine too. Let's go, Celine.
Woohoo. All right, let's go.
Double W for Celine and me.
Let's
because we're
go.
both out of that. Nice.
Hell yeah. All right. I'm going to let the rest run here on NQ. I'm going for big targets. I have a sell limit just below Asia high there, 465. So let's see how much we can run with this 1 micro.
Nice.
Let's see. Kane said, guys, can we like the stream? I want to see the giveaways. All right, chat. What did I say? 1,300 likes. And we got Kane here, so it might be a really, really big giveaway today. I'm not going to lie.
Is it? I don't know.
Well, it can't be as big as the day I gave away 2 max sellers. That was pretty big.
That was crazy.
That was pretty big. But
that was insane.
Right now, sitting at 1,100. So we could get there.
Celine throwing around free money like that.
Well, I survived. I still have a job.
For now.
Okay, so you should get fired for that, to be honest. Shush, Kane, we're not telling Vinny. I'm not sure if he ever watched that stream, so I'm still here. I'm still breathing. Vinny must never find out.
All right, I'm flat right now. Let's see.
Oh, nice. So you took everything off there, all your other accounts as well?
Yep.
Nice.
Flatty flat. Yes, Roy, she did just shush him. She did.
Who? Kane.
You shushed Kane.
I can shush Kane. He's fine. We need to pay Kane another bag to come on stream. Let's go. We could be doing a giveaway here, chat. We've got Kane in the chat. We can do another giveaway, but it's up to you guys.
Hmm.
You have to smash the likes.
Roy says Selena's bullying the guests. Yeah, she is.
I'm not bullying.
Kane says, hello, HR. I would like to report a crime.
You know what? Everyone is too sensitive these days. Can't even say
That
shush
I agree
anymore.
with. That I very much agree with.
Exactly. Okay. Kane wants to report me to HR, and all I did was say shush.
Roy says hashtag justice for Kane. And justice for Hannah too. Mexican dance, that I agree with too.
Beck I cannot say that username. He said, Selena, what's your next TP? My next TP is just below Asia High. I'm honestly expecting a full retracement of this Asia sell-off, which is kind of crazy, but if it pays, it's going to pay nice. Maybe this is the low, and maybe we have long the low here. Would be nice, but I'm break even on the rest. So if this continues to buy up and break highs, like I'm watching the high here, 29,300. Like once we get back into Asia range, I'll probably start to move my stop to lows and trail my stop because it is quite a large target I'm going for. So I will continue to trail as we break new highs.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm looking where we are at with the like count because we only got like 10-ish, 12 minutes to hit that target. We're sitting at 1,100 likes right now. We need 1,300 to do another giveaway. We have 12 minutes to hit that target. Now, there are almost 1,500 people watching, so 1,300 likes shouldn't be a problem at all. Just everybody who hasn't already, make sure you hit that like button right now. And we're gonna be at 1,300 in no time. Do it.
Do it now.
MP123ETH is asking, how do you trail, Celine?
I'd just be trailing to probably these. I executed off the 3 minutes, so I'll probably trail to 3 minute lows. Just swing lows, really, once they're confirmed.
The swing lows.
And that's only if we start to break new highs on the high time frame. Like for now, I'm not trailing anything.
Harshit, I see your message. Please don't spam. He says, why long when the market gave a new lower low? Well, me personally, the lower it goes, the more I buy. That's my way of trading. Now, you might have heard before, if the market puts in lower lows, you got to short and go with the trend. But that's not the way I trade.
Justin says I'm still in too long. Still in too lean. I'm targeting 310. Oh, okay. So I'm not the only crazy one. Who else is in longs and going for some big targets here? Who else wants to see Asia high? Also, I pulled up my position tool on gold there just to show that was a very
great exit.
Just saying.
Snipe that exit, chat.
Right?
Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at that beauty. Oh, imagine it would have missed you.
I know, that too. Just like I got stopped by a tick here on this 4 a.m. volume.
It always balances itself out over time. Sometimes you get the exact TP hit by literally the tick, and sometimes you get the exact stop loss hit exactly by the tick. So never complain, it balances itself out over time.
That is true. All right, everyone, is now 304 final TP. 29,297. Okay, so you guys are going for some big targets as well. Relative equal top at 530, Celine. 530? I thought I was crazy going for 465. AK says, Celine, I called that your stop loss was going to hit. My bad. I learned a new thing about my strategy. Oh, I wish I had that receipt then. I actually don't have a screenshot of you saying my stop loss was going to get hit. So thanks for the honesty.
Sishan Khan says, please slow speak. I don't understand English. That goes into the Hall of Fame of interesting requests. I don't want to be mean, but I think what you should be doing is focus and spend time learning English, and then you will easily understand it. How about that?
Yes. Hobby Whales, Celine, how does the inversion looks like? Well, Hobby Whales, calm down with the caps lock, for starters. And secondly, the inversion looks like when you have an FVG that another candle prints through and closes, meaning closes above. So if this is a bearish cap that you're tracking, let me just bar replay on, let's say, for example, on gold. You have a FEG with these three candles that form the FEG pattern. It's the gap in between the high of candle 1 and the low of candle 3. And so this forms that gray box, which is the FEG. The inversion, though, is when we close through that. So as you can see there, that is an inversion because we close below, closing that gap. That's an inversion FEG, to put it very simply.
Yes.
Yes. And he just asked again. If you ask one more time, Hobby Whales, I will ban you. Maybe you need to switch your YouTube to live because I've just answered you.
Elite edits. Bro, are you walking while trading? Nope. Julian, Nick, you looking to buy a house or an apartment soon? It seems now impossible to own a house. Not sure about Swiss, but in Prague it's too expensive now because it's not regulated. Well, of course, the real estate prices have been going up, but I mean, I know this sounds stupid. You just need to make more money. I personally don't own a house. I haven't bought a house, but my fiance and I were looking to buy a house within like the next 3 to 5-ish years. Because we really want a nice lawn like Trader Kane. No, but we actually do. Like a nice garden with a pool.
Nice.
And a trampoline put into the ground, so it's like same level as the pool, and then you can jump
I've seen
the
those.
pool from it. Mm-hmm.
Nice.
Mm-hmm.
That would be sick.
And then also make sure it has a flat roof. So then, and you make a deep enough pool. So then, like on the roof, you have a jumping platform into the pool. Like that's gonna be what our house.
Okay, that's sick. Chat, I'm inviting all of us.
Be like.
Chat, we're all gonna be jumping off Nick's roof into that pool.
Oh yeah.
That sounds sick. Then you got to get a water slide at that point.
Not too much of a fan of water slides, but maybe when we have kids, we could add a water slide. Yes, maybe.
Yes, I think a water slide would be sick.
Wicked Wick says pool party at Nick's. Hell yeah.
Yeah. 3 to 5 years, chat. 3 to 5 years. We gotta wait.
Yep. Yeah, I saw a really nice property, and I hope that one waits for us.
Is it Lucerne area?
Yeah, it's close from here. It's like 10 minutes from where I live right now.
Nice.
But it's absolutely gorgeous, like right at the lake. It's so beautiful.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah. but also therefore pricey.
I couldn't even. How much? Should we even ask? How much?
You can guess.
How many bedrooms?
No bedrooms yet. It's just a property. No house. It's just the land.
Oh, it's like just the land.
You can free build, which is sick.
Okay, well then I would have no idea. I'm just gonna go and throw because I don't know what the Swiss property market is like, but I could say 2 million. I don't even know the land size. More than 2 million for the land?
Yes.
Shit. What's the land size?
Wait, let me look it up.
Jeez.
It's
2 million Swiss franc?
It's gorgeous. Yeah, I mean we can do it in Swiss francs or dollars, whatever you prefer, doesn't matter.
Guys, that is insane.
It is
2 million just for land.
So just the land is 2,767 square meters.
Oh, it's huge.
It's huge, yeah.
Oh, you may as well have
and you could build on 1,032 square meters.
Oh, and the rest you could have just like animals and.
You can just have a garden and whatever.
Oh, I would totally have horses and shit like that.
But it's really expensive.
Oh, Nick, that's so sick. 2,000 square meters, 2,700 is heaps of land. So are you going to tell us how much?
Guess.
Oh my gosh. More than 2 mil. Okay, yeah, well, we're talking about 2,000 square meters. All right, I'm going to say with lake views, like 4 million US?
More.
Oh, hell no. 5 million, 6 million?
More.
8 million?
More.
That's messed up.
You ready?
Yeah.
USD, 31 million just for the land.
Oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, that's insane.
It's crazy.
Jeez, only Roger Federer is buying that.
Nah. Just wait.
No, that is insane. If you one day acquire that land, that I would be like freaking out. 31 million on a plot of land is insane. Jeez.
That's why I think it's going to sit around for a long time. Because it has been sitting around for a long time.
No, unless Roger Federer scoops it up.
Well, he has one in like, it's called Rapperswil. He has like a house that's like over 100 million total, I think.
Jeez.
Around that. It's gorgeous. It's nice. He has like a tennis court and everything.
Oh yeah, I could imagine. You would have a sick.
Wicked Wick says Nick will buy the land and a tent. I'm gonna live in a tent on that property.
That is sick. And you've got the lake and the
Yeah,
mountain.
it's actually absolutely gorgeous. Oh, we'll see. We'll see.
Oh, speaking, comment says 40 more likes and we'll hit the like goal here. All right, well, we don't have much time, I realized. We got to do it now.
I don't think. Wag says, why would Roger Federer have a tennis court? It's a great question. I don't know. Okay, 1,200 likes, chat. We need to get to 1,300. Come on.
Probably in let's just say the next minute. We got to do it now. No.
Amir says, Nick, just to raise money for that land, let's put a micro on. Come on. Hit that like button.
Come on. Roman, what do we actually what do we actually add in terms of the likes? Can you see how many?
Resilient Forex says currently at 1,260. Oh, we're close, chat. Ooh. We're so close, but you gotta hit it like in the next minute. Hit the like button, everybody. Stop what you're doing. Hit the like button under the YouTube video. Do not hit the heart button in the chat. That's not gonna do anything. You need to hit the thumbs up button under the stream.
35 seconds. 30 seconds. Go on. Come on.
Then I will screenshot your message and send it to the team. Thanks for letting me know.
Chat, you've got 20 more seconds to hit the like goal. If you don't hit it, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to do that third giveaway. And if Kane is still here, that was going to be a big one.
15 more. Come on, chat. You can do it. You can do it. We're
12
almost there.
seconds, 50 more of you. 50 need to like the stream. There's over 1,000 of you.
Almost
50.
there.
7 seconds.
Oh, we're there. We did it.
Oh, yeah.
Well done, chat. Well done. Great fucking work, everybody. That's how you show up. Not like the people in the New York stream. What is that even? Like we hit 1,300 likes in 3 hours like that. Bang. New York stream. Oh, let's get to 400 likes. Come on.
No way.
You crushed it. W London stream. Well, let's run another giveaway. All you got to do to participate in this giveaway is you have to like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send you the link to the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you'll get disqualified. If you ask me where the form is, what shape or form I'm in, or any sorts of questions like that, you're going to get disqualified. And if you ask me how to join the giveaway, you're going to get super duper mega disqualified. You're going to have 15 seconds to fill it out. Here it is. Bang, 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 bang.
Go, go, go.
Until this 5-minute candle shows 3 minutes left. Let's see.
I feel like Kane is left, so now we might not be doing such a big giveaway.
Now we're gonna give away one account. Okay, here we go. 369 people in the giveaway. 369 people in the giveaway. Let's see who wins. It's taking time to load again because you guys are absolutely crushing that giveaway form. All right. Hey, Roman even entered the giveaway. What the hell, Roman?
Really?
Yeah. He's like, yeah, why not? Oh, true. He started trading, so now he's going to get a free account. He's smart. All right, chat. Here we go. Winner of the third giveaway this week so far is going to be the lucky... Bam! Satish 2717. Type something in the chat.
Congrats.
2717. Congratulations, you just won a free account. We don't know yet what you won, but as long as you claim, he says, I'm here in the chat. You're gonna get it. So here we go. Let's see what you actually win. Satish, you are getting, let's see.
A Min Allo?
It's gonna be Min Allo. It doesn't matter. It would have been 25k anyways.
Okay.
So 25k growth account. 25k growth account. So congratulations. All you gotta do is make sure you have your email address in your YouTube channel description. Make sure it's the Tradeify, it's your Tradeify login email, and once it's in there, we're gonna be sending you a free 25k growth account within the next 7 days. Congrats. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice. Cool. All right. Well,
congratulations. That's 3. We finally did 3 giveaways. We finally got there.
Yeah, right. We did that a lot in the past. I mean, look, guys, today you showed up. Keep doing that, and we're gonna keep giving you guys accounts. That's how this works. But that brings us to the point where everybody puts a big fat W in the chat because Celine had a bunch of winning trades today. I had a bunch of winning trades today. Only put an L in the chat if you hated every single second of this stream, which I hope you didn't. And if you did, that's on you for sticking around. No, we love y'all. Thanks for showing up. We're going to be back at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for our usual New York stream with the Spud, and then I'll join him at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And of course, tomorrow, 7 a.m. UK time for another London session with Celine. Now, before we leave, Celine, any last inspiring motivational words?
Yes. If you're on the longs with me, hold on for dear life. I will be taking this long into Asia High, so let's hope we get the longs play out. In terms of if you didn't catch a trade in the London session today, or if you're taking a loss, it's all good. You guys know I say this every time. There's New York session ahead of us. You don't need to be chasing anything. If you have taken a loss, don't try chasing that loss. Just wait until your setup shows again. Wait until at least we get some more volume coming into the New York session, and then take that A+ trade, and then hopefully it's a win. But if you did miss a trade, whatever, don't be FOMO entering. Trade with discipline, and that's all. And I will see you guys 7 a.m. UK. W's in the chat for today's trades, and see you guys tomorrow.
Peace out.